Are we live? I think we are live. Just a sec, I'll check. Let's see. Yeah, we are live. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, we are live. Okay. So hello everyone and welcome to my stream. My name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to build an AI agent, a simple AI agent using PERN stack, Postgres, Express, React, and Node. Like this is how I learn. Basically, I learn anything by building a project. That's how I learned. So let's get started. Development, PERN. Let's make it. Let's create a new folder as project. All right, so there we go, and project. So here I'll open it in my VS Code. Hi programming wala, welcome to my stream. Shubhadeep, hi, welcome to my stream, Shubhadeep. Anukiran Ghosh, social media none. Yes, Anukiran, like the development part of social media is done, and Dockerization is also done. Now I will be deploying it. I cannot show deployment in live stream, but when I deploy it, I'll create a raw video like this only, and I'll just cut out the sensitive information so that you guys can, watch it and learn how to deploy it. But unfortunately, in live stream, it is a bit risky to show deployment because it's my own application, and I don't want the server to get hacked. So I'll make a separate video on when I deploy it. Faizan Shah, hello Faizan Shah, welcome back to my stream. How are you? Grow Salman, hello Grow Salman, welcome back to my stream. सर वो वेब एंड ऐप करना चाहता हो तो रिएक्ट के बाद रिएक्ट नेटिव करे या मॉर्न कंप्लीट करने की बाद रिएक्ट नेटिव में जाए. सी ग्रो सलमान, अगर आपको फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट सीखना है, वेब डेव या मोबाइल डेव, दोनों में से कुछ भी सीखना है, तो आपको पहले बैकएंड तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको मोबाइल ऐप हो या वेब ऐप हो, बैकएंड आपका काम आएगा. तो मैं तो बोलूँगा कि पहले रिएक्ट के बाद यू लर्न बैकएंड, देन यू गो इनटू रिएक्ट नेटिव. Programming wala, new project, now AI agent. Yes, programming wala, today I'll be building an AI agent basically for my own learning, and I want you guys to see how I learn and while building project. MS YouTube, अभिषेक चैनल मोनेटाइज हो गया. अभिषेक चैनल मोनेटाइज हो गया आपका? नहीं, MS यूट्यूब चैनल अभी तो मोनेटाइज नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि 4000 वॉच आवर्स चाहिए. तो लाइक मैं मोनेटाइजेशन लाइक ठीक है, हो जब होने का वो हो जाएगा, वो दैट इज़ नॉट माई अल्टीमेट गोल. अभी मेरे को बस सीखना है, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड माई ओन SaaS एंड स्टार्टअप. दैट्स माई मेन गोल. ग्रो सलमान, और सर जो रिएक्ट कर रहा हूँ उसको बाद Next.js सीखना है क्या, या बैकएंड में मर्न सीखने के बाद Next.js सीखे? मैं तो बोलूँगा बैकएंड में फर्स्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड मर्न, entire MERN stack like Mongo, Express, React, Node. Then you build full stack projects using MERN stack. Then you switch to Next.js. Treemule, hello Treemule, welcome to my stream. अभिषेक भाई, तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. ओ थैंक यू Treemule एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. फैज़ान शाह, आप स्टडी करते हो या काम करते हो? फैज़ान शाह, लाइक मैं खुद का स्टार्टअप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय बीटेक. यूट्यूब वॉच आवर्स हो जाएंगे easy, just keep going. YT will help you much in your journey. I hope so, Miss YouTube. I'm trying to just focus on my growth, on my learning, and my main goal is to build my own SaaS and startup. All right, so not here. I'll go inside this project and let's first create a new folder. Let's keep project name as what should be the name? Note AI agent. Let's make this Note AI agent. Let's first open with code. प्रोग्रामिंग वाला ब्रो, AI एजेंट कब तक बन जाएगा, कितने दिनों में? Hopefully 1 week maybe. It depends on how much time I dedicate to it. Okay. Basically, this AI agent, see, my goal is to build my own startup, right? And SaaS. So this AI agent is for my own learning so that I learn how to build AI agents using PERN stack. And in future, when I start building my SaaS, I can use this knowledge to build my own SaaS. Okay. YouTube. You focus on your goals. I'm just saying that keep YouTube in flow. It will help you in your journey. Yes, yes, YouTube. Thank you for this suggestion, man, and thanks for giving such nice advice to me. Shubhadeep, कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज करोगे ए आई एजेंट बनाने में? टाइप स्क्रिप्ट. ए आई एजेंट के लिए भी आई यूजिंग टाइप स्क्रिप्ट. नाइन एम गेम्स व्हाट्सअप. हेलो नाइन एम गेम्स, वेलकम बैक टू माई स्ट्रीम ब्रदर. हाउ आर यू? फैजान शाह, अभी वेब डेव सीखना चाहिए या ए आई एम एल? आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हो? मैं तो बोलूंगा कि अगर आप बिगनर हो तो पहले आप वेब डेव करो, एक दो अच्छा फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, उसके बाद ए आई एम एल में घुसो, बिकॉज इन दी एंड यू विल यूज योर ए आई एम एल मॉडल्स इन अ वेब ऐप और अ मोबाइल ऐप, राइट? राजा भाई, पहला प्रोजेक्ट हो गया क्या? यस राजा, लाइक द डेवलपमेंट पार्ट इज डन फॉर माई सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन. Deployment is left, but unfortunately I cannot show deployment in live stream because there are so much sensitive information that if I show it in live stream, if any API keys get leaked or any sensitive server information gets leaked, then my server can be hacked by anyone, and that's not good. So when I deploy it, I'll make a separate video on that. First, the next thing is that I need to buy a new domain, because VPS, I have VPS in my droplet in DigitalOcean. So when I deploy it, I'll make a separate video on that. It will be like this only, a raw video, but it will not be a live stream, and I'll just cut out the sensitive information from those video. Programming wala, now we can use your social media app. Programming wala, deployment is left. Basically, yeah, I need to buy a new domain, then I'll deploy it. Deepak Kanpal, hello bro, how are you? Hello Deepak Kanpal, welcome back to my stream brother. I'm good, how are you? राजा भाई, तुम डे में भी कोडिंग करते हो क्या, बस रात में? राजा, मैं दिन में भी कोडिंग करता हूँ. अगर फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स है तो मैं दिन में फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम करता हूँ, या अगर प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं है तो मैं खुद की लर्निंग पे काम करता हूँ. लाइक मैं अभी Next.js 16 सीख रहा हूँ, तो दिन में मैं Next.js 16 सीखता हूँ. ओके. Rakta Bhattacharji. Hello Rakta Bhattacharji. Welcome to my stream, brother. What about the other app? So yeah. Hey, so what about the social media app? So yes, Rakta Bhattacharji, development part is done. Now only deployment part is left for that application, and I will be buying a new domain for that. And I cannot show the live stream, deployment live stream, because it's very sensitive. So I'll make a new video on that, and I'll show you guys how to deploy it, but I cannot show it in live stream. Light Rocks, hello Light Rocks, welcome to my stream. College में हो क्या अभी? Light Rocks, like I've completed my BTech, 9 games. Almost half of the LLM models are same. Behind the scene वो लोग API use कर रहे हैं, और क्या API is this true? I heard this one on YouTube आज सुबह. See, LLM models का working is same, but all the model, like Anthropic's model is different, OpenAI's model is different. They have built it on their own. Tyler, hello Tyler, welcome back to my stream. What's up Abhishek? Did you complete a social media app? Yes, Tyler, the development part is done. Deployment is left. Deployment part is left. So I have Dockerized the application. So I cannot show, as I said earlier, I cannot show deployment, in live stream because sensitive informations are there. So I'll make a separate video on that. भाई डिप्लॉय होती कैसे है? इससे डिप्लॉयमेंट इज वेरी इजी. लाइक डॉकराइज हो गया है, अब बस एक VPS लेना है, बेसिकली ये वर्चुअल प्राइवेट सर्वर, एंड देयर आई विल यूज GitHub टू पुल द कोड, एंड देन आई इंस्टॉल GitHub Docker, and then we'll use Nginx for reverse proxy. YouTube, I have one question. As I told you before, I'm working on my edutech startup, Engineers Classroom. While purchasing domain, I got two options: either purchase domain with security or without security. See, I think while purchasing domain, security means you will get the SSL. I think no, not SSL. Security, I'm not sure what security is in the name, in the terms of domain. 9 games. AWS को कितना टाइम लगता है? See, AWS, it depends. If you know about Linux, if you know about EC2, then you can learn it in 1 week. Tyler, AI agent बनाने के लिए AIML भी आना जरूरी है? No, see, AIML is used to develop an LLM, like, or deep learning models. But we are using a pre-built model, and we will be providing tools. So now let's get started. I'll tell you guys what I am building. So okay, Raja, कोई यूट्यूब वीडियो सजेस्ट कर दो डिप्लॉय करने के लिए भाई. सी इफ यू वांट टू लर्न डिप्लॉयमेंट आई विल सजेस्ट यू गो टू दिस प्लेलिस्ट. If you are talking about MERN deployment, you can go to this playlist called Nikita Dev. It's a very good playlist. You can follow this videos. All right, so let's get started. So what are we building? Basically, see, we have a simple note making application, right? Where we type and we create the note. But instead of typing the note on our own, what we'll do? We'll tell in natural language, like something like this. I need to go to gym tomorrow, right? And we don't need to do anything, just send this normal command to normal command, and then this command will go to my backend. For example, this is my backend, right? This is my backend. This command will go to backend, and then I'll send this command to my LLM. This is my LLM, and there will be tools like create note, update, delete, get note by ID, right? And this LLM will decide, depending on this command, this LLM will decide which tool to call, and then applications will be performed. Basically, in a normal to do application in our backend, we take the command in our backend and then we manually save it, right? But instead of manually saving it, our LLM will decide which tools to use. So basically, an AI agent is basically an LLM plus access to tools, right? This together becomes an AI agent. Fine. This is the main thing. This is the difference between a normal, LLM based applications and an AI agent. AI agent is just an LLM with access to tools. And what are tools? What are tools? Tools are basically functions. Tools are basically functions. Like it can be a function to create a create a node and save it to the database. It can be a function to get the node from the database. YouTube. Thanks. I asked ChatGPT about it too. He said it should go with security one because it's a startup. Okay. That's nice. Rakta Bhattacharya, Compute Orchestrator is designed as foundational system for managing compute jobs with long-term extensibility toward ML interface, orchestration and distributed execution system. So this is what I'm building. That's nice. See, it's not free for me. It's not easy because it's like a real orchestrator application, right? That's very complex and that's really good. All the best, Rakta Bhattacharya, with your project. 9am Games with security में उनका रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियोस पीसी में रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता है, स्क्रीन आता है विदाउट सिक्योरिटी, मतलब यूजर कैन रिकॉर्ड देयर कोहोर्ट थ्रू योर पीसी. ओके यूट्यूब. ओ थैंक्स 9am Games, वेलकम. या फाइन. ओके Hussein Maroof. Hello Hussein Maroof, welcome to my stream. Can I contribute with you? Hussein Maroof, like when I build any any open source applications, then you can contribute. And welcome to my stream, Hussein Maroof. 9am Games. By the way, congrats for 1k subs, Captain. From 143 subs to 1k in a month. Win. Oh, thanks 9am Games, and thanks for being so supportive in my streams. Renova Digitals. Hello bro. Hello Renova Digitals. Welcome to my stream. How you doing? I'm doing good, Renova. How about you? YouTube. I need someone to help me with my startup. Currently can't pay, but in future sure. Okay. Unknown. Hello Unknown. Welcome to my stream. Can we automate video editing with AI agents? Yes. If you know how to build it, yes, it is possible. And like this has been in my head also, where I want to create an AI agent to streamline the entire video creating process for faceless YouTube channels. Comment reading. हेलो कमेंट रीडिंग. AI इमेज टू वीडियो जनरेट करने वाला बना रहे हो क्या? No, comment reading. Basically, this is a simple, like all the AI agents are based on this only, like a simple LLM with access to tools. Basically, it's a AI agent that will take your command and then it will decide it should create a node, it should delete a node, it should update or delete, right? Rohit Mon स्टार्ट टू यूज वाला. हेलो रोहित, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई तुमको मराठी आती है क्या? नो रोहित, आई डोंट नो मराठी. एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. कमेंट रीडिंग. एलएलएम से एआई इमेज टू वीडियो जनरेट करने वाला वेबसाइट बना सकते हो क्या? फ्री एपीआई कहाँ से लाओगे? देखना पड़ेगा कमेंट रीडिंग. एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम कमेंट रीडिंग. कुशल सक्सेना. भाई आपके कॉलेज कंप्लीट हो गया है क्या? यस कुशल, आई कंप्लीट माय बीटेक. एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम रक्ता भट्टाचार्य जी विथ फास्ट एपीआई. सो या, ओ दैट्स नाइस रक्ता भट्टाचार्य जी. Gaurav. Hello, bro. Hello, Gaurav. Welcome back to my stream. Arnab Biswas. Hello. Hello, Arnab Biswas. Welcome back to my stream. Parak. Hi, bro. Hello, Hello, Paras Karandikar. Hello. Welcome to my stream. YouTube. Okay. Not magically. Bro, तुम्हारी first payment कितनी आई थी? My first payment that I got from my first ever payment was from freelancing, and it was for a hotel booking website basically, and it was around 12,000. Ankit, new project. Yes, Ankit, it's basically I'm trying to learn how to build AI agents, so that's what I'm doing. Can you complete explaining your project? Yes, basically the thing is it's a note making application, but instead of creating the notes manually in the backend, our LLM will decide which functions to call. Basically, we have to create the functions, but we need to give access of those functions to the LLM, and then LLM can call those functions and decide like which function to call. That's the main thing. Phoenix, learning from you, bro. Keep it up. Thanks, Phoenix, and welcome to my stream. 3 GB नेट जाती है क्या लाइव 2 घंटे डेली या यूज़ उससे ज़्यादा? मैंने कभी देखा नहीं कितना जीबी नेट लगता है. यूट्यूब. हुसैन मारूफ, आई एम बिल्डिंग एन एडुकेट. ओके, 9 गेम्स. फेसलेस वीडियो चैनल्स यूट्यूब ही खुद बैन करना ही सोच रहा है. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस ट्रू. आप यूट्यूबर हो, आपको पता होगा कैप्टन. सी less efforts AI faceless channels will get banned, I think, but not good ones. Ragta Bhattacharya, create job stores, then process info life cycle, rules protect state. Okay. Gaurav, brother, can you explain how to use all these AI agents and LLM tech? I have zero knowledge, and what are drawbacks while using it? See, basically LLMs, see, we create REST APIs and we create functions, right? To function to create a to do, update a to do, simple. But we give that access to the LLM. New project and PERN stack. Crazy. Takashi, yeah, we will be using PERN stack with this project. Arnab Biswas, you are from which college? Arnab, I am from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Kaushik, hello Kaushik, welcome to my stream. Ankit, आपने डिप्लॉय करने का बोला था लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट को. सी येस अंकित, सी आई कैन नॉट लाइव स्ट्रीम डिप्लॉयमेंट, सो आई मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन दैट. आई नीड टू बाय अ न्यू डोमेन ऑल्सो, देन आई deploy the project. Varun Bora, I subscribe today. Can you maintain your stream in English? I am from Telugu background. Happy to see how you are building this application. Yes, Varun Bora. Okay, we'll be supporting English with this channel. All right. YouTube. API keys are really sensitive. Yes, API keys are very sensitive. If your API keys are leaked, then your entire application, will get destroyed, because people will use your API key and then you will need to pay the bills. Rakta Bhattacharya, like what am I doing? I'm trying to build, okay, LLMs, not copying everything blindly, learning from you, like how you prompt AI, so yeah, and so on. Okay, that's nice, Rakta Bhattacharya. What is P in PERN? P is for Postgres. Yes, Sammy, Postgres. YouTube. You can check the stream, maybe YT AI is translating it in English. Okay, fine. So let's get started. As usual, I'll start my GPT and let's configure the application. First, I'll create a backend. Then there will be a front end, and the tech stack will be. See, the tech stack for this entire application will be. Tech stack is going to be number 1, TypeScript, right? Expressjs. For database, PostgresQL, and for ORM we are using Prisma, and for validation we'll be using Zord validation, and Node.js, of course, and for front end we'll be using React, JS, and for styling I'll be going for ShadCN and also Tailwind CSS. That's the entire tech stack. All right. Zed, by my first year. Oh, that's great, Zed. And just focus and understand the foundations. You are good. And welcome to my stream, Zed Solanki. Suraj, do you know what is AI coach? No, I don't know. And welcome to my stream, Suraj. Sam, I know JS, not TypeScript. See, Sam, if you know JavaScript, then you can learn TypeScript in one single day. Social media done. Yes, Suraj, the development part of the social media is done and Dockerization is done as well. Deployment is left, but I cannot live stream deployment. I'll make a separate video on that. Mohammed Samir, what are you building? Mohammed Samir, I'm trying to build a note making AI agent with PERN stack. D Dharya, bro, social media app ka. D Dharya, for the social media application, development part is done and Dockerization is done. I'll deploy it. I cannot show deployment in my live stream. I'll make a separate video on that. गौरव ब्रदर एआई एजेंट्स और एलएलएम के लिए लैप रिक्वेस्ट क्या होगी लैप रिक्वेस्ट क्या होती है व्हाट इज लैप रिक्वेस्ट ओके डी धैर्य गुड नाइट डी धैर्य एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम गौरव गौरव कैन यू एक्सप्लेन योर क्वेश्चन हेत पटेल कांग्रेट्स फॉर 1K चैनल मोनेटाइज हो गया हेत पटेल थैंक यू फॉर congratulating me on 1K and channel has not been monetized yet. I can understand Hindi, but my mind process slowly, maybe because of my medium of communication in English and Telugu. Oh, that's right, Varun, and welcome to my stream. I'll try to communicate in English so that everyone can understand. Kakashi server. No, not yet. I have not created the Discord server yet. Laptop requirements. Okay, Gaurav. Laptop requirements. All right. See, you can build simple AI agents using 8 GB laptop, 8 GB RAM. Rishabh Rana, congrats both. Thank you, Rishabh Rana, and welcome to my stream. All right, so this is it. And first, we'll start with backend, as usual. So, open the terminal, cd backend, and there we go. Hold on. There we go. And it will be npm init package name backend version 1 description note making AI agent entry point index.js. okay, no, hold on, not this, fine, npm init -y, fine. I'll come here and instead of yep, this is correct, author, it will be type should be module, right? And see what will be the flow of the user, what will be the flow, application flow, what will be the application flow for my application. See, so basically this is the user will register / login to my app. This is my app, fine. We'll log into the user application. Then here there will be a dashboard, simple dashboard, something like that. And here there will be options like a dashboard, like pending. Here the user can see the pending notes, right? And then there will be a, then here we can create, then there will be create note option, and in the create note option we'll simply write in describe the task, what do you want to try, what do you want to do, okay, something like that. And then we will store that. And okay, fine, let's do this. Cool. All right. Heth Patel, feeling proud of you. Oh, thanks, Heth Patel, and thanks, brother, for being so supportive. Suraj, purchase any laptop with 24 GB RAM and 6 GB graphics card. You need CUDA for LLM using Orama. Okay. Supreme DSU, bro. I'm in India. Oh, Supreme DS, that's great. That's great, man. And welcome to my stream, Supreme DS. Tyler, is it kind of a Notion clone? Not exactly a Notion clone. Like, it's a very simple version of a Notion. Like, we can just describe what we want. Our LLM will, create the note. Our LLM will decide if we need to update it or not. And LLM will decide we need to delete and all those things. So the control will be in LLM's hand. LLM will do the tool calling. Ankit, buy. I also want to work on such type of project, so I can. So I'm going to buy a new laptop. Any recommendation? Ankit, you can go for a 16 GB RAM laptop. That is fine, and you can go for the laptop that I use, HP laptop 15X. Kakashi, can you hide the taskbar so the stream looks clean? Okay. How? Okay. Let's. Okay. Hold on, guys. So the stream looks cleaner. All right. Let's see. Not like this, not like this. Let's see. If I come here and if I do this, then I think this is better, and maybe I can keep it here. All right, maybe this is fine. I hope this is fine, guys. Do let me know if this looks better. Guys, this without the taskbar it looks better, or with taskbar it looks better. Do let me know. Aro Bharadwaj. Hello, Aro Bharadwaj. Welcome to my stream. Are you working somewhere now? If not, then what kind of companies are you applying to? Can we create a server or a Telegram group for that? Aro Bharadwaj, right now I'm currently working on my own startup. And if I apply, I'll be applying to startups only because I want to work in startups. Suraj, use any free API key for your AI agent. Can be found on open router, no cost. Okay, I'll check that out. Next Gen Dev 27. Hello Next Gen, welcome to my stream. Bye, good to see your growth. Watching you since you was on 200 something. Oh, that's great Next Gen, and thank you guy, thank you man for watching my streams, and welcome to the stream. Gitanjali Kahar, hello Gitanjali Kahar, welcome to my stream. Can you tell me about this and what type of knowledge know for this? Basically, I'm first your knowledge should be you should know about MERN stack, like MongoDB, not MongoDB, like you should know about Express, React, and Node, and you should know about Postgres also. That's the minimum base requirement, and I'm trying to build an AI agent, a node making AI agent, basically. Suraj, Abhishek, bro, use open router API key, no cost requirement, credit card requirement, almost free. I'm using it. Okay, Suraj, you'll check that out. It is kind of a Notion clone. Yeah, something basic Notion, like not extreme, something like that. Okay. Also connect with Telegram bot. Okay, Suraj, thanks for the suggestions. Mohammed, can you follow from this? By the end, what will I get to learn from this series, and when will this be completed? Yes, Mohammed Samir, you can follow. Like you can, like all entire code is visible. You can follow along. And basically today is the first day. This is the initializing of the project. So you can follow along, and after by the end of the stream, I will also learn how to build AI agents, and anybody who completes this entire series will be able to learn how to build AI agents using PERN stack. SAS, hello Sasa, welcome to my stream, bro. Do you actually know the table is created? How many field table is created and how many field and one to one? Yes, relationships are required. Like user will be user relationship will be with the note, right? Something like that. We'll design that. Navina, hello Navina, welcome to my stream, bro. You work on Java like in future? I have worked in Java in my past, and I have worked with Spring Boot also. Rahul Sharma, hello Rahul Sharma, welcome back to my stream. Supreme DFs, yesterday I was traveling, that's why I don't attend your stream. I missed your stream, by the way. Oh, Supreme DS, yesterday I did not stream also, so you did not miss anything. Just hide it in the taskbar setting. Okay, okay. How to do that? Okay, wait. How to do that? No, I'll do this in the next stream maybe. Hold on, not here. I think this one looks better. अमन भट्ट, हेलो अमन भट्ट, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया जावा फुल स्टैक डेवलपर विद एआई इंटीग्रेशन रोल का क्या स्कोप है? स्कोप ऐसा है, सी स्प्रिंग बूट इज गुड, like it's a very powerful framework, backend framework, but the thing is that in my experience I've seen that freshers struggle with spring boot. 90 games, I never looked at it till date. Okay, fine. Mohammad Sami with taskbar. Okay, so we'll keep the taskbar. Kushal Saxena, कौन सी बीटेक हो भाई? I've completed my BTech in 2023. Himanshu, what without taskbar? Okay, is it? Let's okay guys, I'll figure out the taskbar thing. I'll try to hide it. Wait, is AI gonna disrupt IT jobs? Yes, it is already disrupting IT jobs. Suraj Dai. But keep in mind while using OpenAuto API, use free LLM model name in curl or you will get build. OpenAuto provides single API key, but you can define model in curl. Okay, Suraj. Thanks, man. Rahul Sharma, bro, make a project with Spring Boot. Rahul, actually, my target is to build my own startup, and that's why I'm focusing on technology that will help me build my own startup. And right now, Spring Boot is not one of those technology. Like I have worked with Spring Boot. If you go and watch my YouTube videos, older videos, you will see that I was working with Spring Boot previously. Aro Bhardwaj looks good without the taskbar though. Okay, let's remove the taskbar then. How to hide taskbar? Okay, let's see. How to hide taskbar in Windows 11. Taskbar shortcut. Okay. Right click and empty space on the taskbar. Select taskbar settings, behavior, and check automatically hide taskbar. Okay, let's try to do that. Taskbar settings. Where is it? Sir, taskbar view on off. Okay, this one. Where is it? Hide taskbar widgets, emoji, pen mode, touch board. Okay. Other taskbar behaviors, automatically hide taskbar. Okay, this is better, I think. Let's keep it like this then. Fine. Okay, let's keep it like this. Fine. I think this looks better. Lokesh B. Hello Lokesh B. Welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? Sasa, what's the scope of Django? See, Django will always have a special place in my heart. That was the first backend framework that I learned, and that was the first framework that got me a freelancing client. So Django is very powerful. गम्बॉल सीखना है. हेलो जी, कैसे हो? हेलो गम्बॉल, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. पोल बनाओ इसका विद और विदाउट टास्क बार. गौरव भैया, आज के टाइम में मल्टीपल लैंग्वेजेस सीखना सही है या किसी 2-3 में मास्टर करना, लाइक सी प्लस सी, लाइक फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद one language, master it, and if you master one language, one programming language, then you can easily learn any other programming language. Naveen, you share the code in Git so that we can refer also. Yes, I'll share the code in GitHub also. Supreet, भैया कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग के लिए क्या अपलोड हम बताओ. लीड कोड, देन कोड शेफ. अब्दुल कुरैशी, हेलो अब्दुल, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया फर्स्ट जॉब के लिए कितना प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए एंड कैसा प्रोजेक्ट? सी अब्दुल, आई थिंक at least 3 projects should be there, full stack projects, and it should be like deployment level project, like you have deployed it. It's a full stack project with database integrations and all those things, so it should be a complex project. Okay, Abhay for sure. PERN, yes Abhay, PERN stands for Postgres, Express, React and Node. Supreme DS, this is my first day in India and I already met a YouTuber named Thagesh unexpectedly. Haha. There are lots of YouTube content creators in India. They were shooting a video in Mumbai and I saw crowd. Oh yeah, Thagesh is a very popular YouTuber. Supreme DS, near them and join to know them. That's great. Gumball, धीरे धीरे बड़े आदमी बनते जा रहे हो. Thanks Gumball. Ankit, bhai, if we want to deploy such projects commercially, then what do you think it's budget required? I think at least you should keep to start deployment, because for your domain at least 2,000 3,000 rupees is required just to buy the domain. And if you get a normal VPS, at least you should have a budget for $5 every single month if you're just starting out. Dev Insights. Sir, can you please review my project? Yes, Dev Insights. You can DM me in Instagram and I'll review your project. अंशु क्रेजी भैया पाइथन एंड एसक्यूएल हो गया है नंपाई सीख रहा हूँ ओ दैट्स ग्रेट एंड अंशु वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम गम्बॉस Kakashi, yeah, finally a person prioritized my suggestion. Anyways, would you mind collaborating with me like live coding together or do some cool stuff regarding coding like rating viewers project and stuff? Yeah, maybe in future we can do that. In future we can do that. Abdul Qureshi, front end React and Next.js. Maybe कोई scope नहीं है क्या भैया? Front end, see, right now just front end developer hiring is very less, but you have to be very good, like extremely good in front end. But there's more hiring in full stack developers. Kakashi, since I'm going to be starting a Twitch and YouTube channel live coding like you as well. Oh, that's great, Kakashi. Yeah, in future we can collaborate. You can connect with me on Instagram. Ashu Crazy. Your nature is good. Thank you, Ashu Crazy. Thanks a lot. Supreet, भैया आप webcam use कर रहे हो या laptop की cam? Supreet, welcome to my stream. I'm using my own laptop's camera. Tyler, are you getting much more viewers today than usual, making it hard for you to concentrate on a project? Yeah, like I like to interact with people. Okay, see, npmi is done. Npmi is done. So first thing is, what do I need to install? I need to install npm I express. npm I express. This is done. And if I go here in my GitHub, Lokesh, social media app deploy हो गया. No, Lokesh, a deployment is left because I cannot live stream deployment. So you know, like I'll make a separate video on that. Supreme, भैया आपके लैपटॉप के specs बताओ. Supreet, my laptop specifications are really simple: 16 GB RAM, 500 GB SSD, Core i5, and Intel Iris graphics card. Okay, so here I just need to check my backend package.json. What are the things that I need? Okay, fine. npm I express, npm I express, npm I bcrypt, json web token, npm I bcrypt and json web token. Fine. npm I cookie parser, npm I course, npm I .env. Then after this I'll be using npm I zod. What else? Cookie parser is done. Then npm I @prisma dash client. Okay, and hold on, not here, in repository PERN chat application. Here if I come, basically in my backend, if I go here in this repository and if I see my package.json, and this is my package.json, and here we are using Cloudinary. See, I don't think any file storage, will not be using any file storage. bcrypt course.env express, json web token, pg prisma and prisma adapter pg. Okay, prisma client prisma adapter dash pg adapter dash pg. Fine, this is done. json web token is done. Gentleman, hello gentleman, welcome to my stream. Big fan sir from Pakistan. Thank you for being a fan, gentleman, and welcome to my stream, brother. Supreet, भैया आपका लैपटॉप की स्पेक्स ओके डन. आशूस क्रेजी, गाइस 38 की वॉचिंग है एंड लाइक नहीं हो रहा है, सब लाइक कर दो टू सपोर्ट द स्ट्रीम. या गाइस लाइक, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider liking this stream, and if you're new to my stream, do consider subscribing to the stream also. Kakashi, I'm more of a Discord guy though. If you are busy, then I can create a Discord server for you and transfer ownership to you. Since I asked you to create, yeah, Kakashi, see, I'll try my level best to create a Discord server by this week. Shubham Rai. Hi, hello, bro. How are you? Hello, Shubham. I'm good. How are you, brother? Prisma. And also, I need a dev dependency as npmi-d Prisma. Prisma. We got Prisma. And I need PG also. Hold on, PG. Installed. Decode Demi. Hello, Decode. Hello, Decoded. Welcome to my stream. You are in 4th year. Decoded, I've completed my BTech. Abhay for sure. Hello, Abhay for sure. Welcome to my stream. Suggest a tutorial for Git and GitHub. For Git and GitHub, you can go. You can check out Code with Harry's channel. There's a Git and GitHub video. You can follow that. Pranch. Hello, Pranch. Welcome to my stream. Mine are Ryzen 9. Okay. Oh, that's a powerful PC. Laptop, I think. जेंटलमैन सर, मेरा 1 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस है रिएक्ट में एंड मैंने रियल वर्ल्ड प्रोजेक्ट पर काम किया है एंड इंटर्नशिप कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ कंपनी में न्यू लर्निंग नहीं हो रही है, क्या करूँ? सी जेंटलमैन, कीप इम्प्रूविंग योर सेल्फ, कीप लर्निंग न्यू स्किल्स एंड keep applying. Once you get a new job, leave this job. Supreme DS, what about your social media project? That day you deployed it. Supreme DS, I have dockerized it. Like everything is ready for deployment. I just need to buy a new domain, and I cannot, live stream while deploying because there are lots of sensitive information, and if it gets leaked, the server can get hacked, or I can get billed a lot. So I will not be live streaming the deployment part, but I'll create a separate video on that, how to deploy it, and I'll show you guys, and I'll just cut out the sensitive information part. Mehul Pal. Hello Mehul, welcome to my stream. You are a student or working somewhere? Mehul Pal, I have completed my BTech and currently I'm not working anywhere. Sasta Gaming. Hello Sasta Gaming. भाई viral हो रहे हो. Oh, see, I'm just trying to focus on my thing. My goal is to build my SaaS and I'm just documenting my journey and I think people are liking it. That's good. Gumball 69. Bro, Zord क्या होता है? Gumball, basically, if you know about MERN stack, we use Mongoose, right? Mongoose is an ORM for MongoDB. Similarly, and Mongoose also is used to use validations. And similarly, for Prisma, for Postgres and Prisma is the ORM, and Zord is basically validation. Like, for example, if we create an input form, right? Basically, if this is a form where there's name, user will type the name, then user will type the email, right? Type the email, then password, and there will be a button, right? Like a BTN. This is the normal form, and many cases it can happen that a user just sends an empty form, or user does not follow any complication, like email is not a valid email. So so that I accept only valid data in my backend, we use a validator called Zord. Its only work is to check the data that is getting stored in the database, it is a valid data or not. That's it. Supreet, भैया आप OBS Studio use कर रहे हो या Streamlabs? Supreet, I used OBS. Decoded. You are in 4th year. Decoded, I have completed my BTech. Supreme DS. Tomorrow I'm heading to Kedarnath. Oh, that's great, Supreme DS. It's a lovely place. Ankit, भाई first live पे कितनी watching थी? Ever faced 0 watching and got demotivated? Ankit, actually my first live stream had very few viewers, like it was only 1 or 2. And see, the thing is that I did not care about the views. I was just trying to learn and build my project, and just going live stream. And if I knew that if people might get interested, they will watch it. If people are not interested, I cannot force them to watch, right? So my only focus was just to build my own project and let people see it. That's it. If somebody's interested, they will watch it. If they're not interested, they won't watch it. I did not care about how many views I'm getting. I was just focused on my project. And similarly with this project. Okay. SK ट्रेडर और लाडले क्या हालचाल है? Hello SK Trader, welcome to my stream. Lokesh B, 50 likes today. Yeah guys, like if you guys enjoy my stream, do consider liking and subscribing to this stream. Supreet, भैया आप OBS Studio use कर रहे हो क्या? Yes Supreet, I'm using OBS. आयन, हेलो गुरुजी, हेलो आयन, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अमन भट्टी, भाई कौन सी फील्ड में जाना चाहिए बता दो बेस्ट. मैं तो अगर आपको आईटी में इंटरेस्ट है देन गो फॉर द डेवलपर जॉब, will get you. Bro, done with the app. And what is this AI agent like ChatGPT? No, it's basically, it's not an LLM. It's an, I will be using an LLM, but I will be providing tools and functions for this LLM to perform tasks. That's an agent. And like that social media application development part is done. Deployment is left. I'll deploy it in a separate video. Tyler, try to keep your website black and white. It makes website look clean and aesthetic. Okay, Tyler, I'll try to do that. Okay, could you please recommend Mernstack and AI resources? Mohammed, the best. See, I learned from Chayor Code YouTube channel. There's lots of videos on Mernstack. You can learn it from there. SK Trader, भाई बहुत बंदे, but you are genuinely guy. हर बंदे को reply इतनी deep में दे रहे. Well done, great job. Oh, thanks SK Trader. I'll try my best to read all the comments and give any information that I have for people who need those information. 9am games, bro. Stream spreading faster than cancer day by day. Bro, 9am games is damn funny, man. Gumball, I hope cancer does not spread. Gumball 69, okay भाई थोड़ा पढ़ाई लिखाई कर लेता हूँ, बाद में मिलते हैं. Yeah, Gumball, focus on your studies and you can join back anytime you want. Shubham Rai, are you going to create MCP server? No, I will not create an MCP server. Gentleman, सर मैं अभी 12th सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ, रिएक्ट तक सीख लिया है फ्रंट एंड, एंड अभी यूनिवर्सिटी के 4 साल भी बाकी है. ओके, आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे मुझे? मैं तो बोलूँगा पूरा फुल स्टैक सीखो. रिएक्ट हो गया है, आप पूरा बैकएंड सीखो. 9am games, true +1. Okay, all right guys, fine. So I have installed Prisma client, Prisma Zord, and also I need to install npI pg. Basically pg is a package that helps us to work with Postgres database. Okay, pg is done. Fine, pg is done also. What do I need? Okay, not even goes. Okay. Fine, this is done. This is done. Now do I need TypeScript also I need. npm i-d TypeScript. I need TypeScript. I need TypeScript. All right, then after this I need npm i-tsx, npm i-d tsx. Lokesh, I came here, I searched Mon Basics and I found your live. Oh, that's nice, Lokesh. SK Trader, एक वेबसाइट का क्या चार्ज लेते हो आप? नो कोडिंग लाइक फार्मर, एनी आइडिया? एक वेबसाइट का क्या चार्ज लेते हो आप? नो कोडिंग लाइक, it depends on the need. Who is the client? Why do they need the website? Before I take any client, I ask these questions. Why you need a website? What's your business about? Then we build and then we decide the how much I will charge. Samshranjan, hello Samshranjan, welcome to my stream. Bro, which university did you graduate? I completed from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, Supreme DS. Okay bro, bye, I have to sleep for today since I have already drained my energy, and yes, my sleep cycle is going to be messed up because of the opposite day night schedule. Okay, Supreme DS, thanks for joining this stream brother, have a good night. And yeah, because of jet lag your sleep is going to be messed up for 2 or 3 days. Mohammad Amir, hello Mohammad Amir, welcome to my stream. So which AI agent you are building, like for what purpose? Basically the main purpose with this project is for that I can learn how to build AI agent, and this is going to be a simple CRUD AI agent that can create, update, delete, and all those notes. And yeah, basically you can give any command, not just like create, remind me how to go to the gym tomorrow, and then that AI agent will create that note. समथिंग लाइक दैट. 9 games. I'm scared कि अब जब ज़्यादा लोग चैनल पे होंगे, how you'll manage read everyone's comments. Super chat करना पड़ेंगे. Yeah, maybe like let's see. I'm not even thinking about the growth too much. I'm just focused on learning about my SaaS and how to build those SaaS. Umesh from Mars, what's your age and when did you start streaming? See, I started streaming 1 month back, and my age is 25 years old. And welcome to my stream, Umesh from Mars. Okay. ADJ wala. Brother, I'm in class 12. Tell me how to secure my first job in India. Do I really need degree or skill matters? 4-year course offline and 9 months online. What should I take? See, I'll tell you. I'll suggest you go for an offline course. And see, skills matter, but in India specifically, degrees do matter because companies, they have the criteria that you need to have a BTech degree. But if you target remote startups, in US, UK, Australia, Canada, all those countries, then your degree does not matter. Only your skills matter. Mohammad Amir. Okay, so like a personal note tracker AI agent. Yeah, something like that. Escalator. मुझे थोड़ा सा गिटहब का काम कम आता है भाई, इसको देख ली तेरी स्ट्रीम में आने की चुल हो गई मुझे. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बताओ गिटहब कहाँ से यूज़ होता है और कहाँ नहीं. आई एम ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर, recent banking quit. Okay. See, basic GitHub is really simple. What you need to do is first you need to install Git, and then you need to configure the username and password and your email. Right. So first, what we do is that basically I want to I want to track this application using my GitHub. So first I'll do git init. It means git initialized. I'll do this, right. Then here I'll create a git ignore folder. Dot git ignore, right. I'll tell the names of the packages that I don't want to track. Backend slash node modules, then backend slash dot env, then frontend slash node modules and front end slash dot env. So these are the two main things. This is done. Then we'll do git status. See, these two files are untracked. So first we'll do git add dot. It will track all the files. Now if I do git status, I'll get green. It means these these files are getting tracked now. Now I'll commit git commit -m project initialized project initialized, git commit, done. Now I'll come to my GitHub. Here. Now I'll come to my GitHub. Just a sec, guys. This is my GitHub. I'll create a new repository here. No, it should be PERN AI agent note maker AI agent note maker. This is the name of the repository. It's public, so you guys can see. Then create repository. After I create the repository, then I'll come here. First, we'll make the branch as main branch. Then I need to add this origin here. Then I'll just simply push here. Now if I push, my code has been pushed to my GitHub, right. So now if I come here, and if I refresh, see, you will see the code here. Code has been pushed. So Git is tracking my project now. All right, fine. मंचल कुमार, हेलो मंचल कुमार, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया एआई एजेंट बनाने वेबसाइट में इंटीग्रेट कैसे करते हैं? वही इस प्रोजेक्ट में हम लोग कर रहे हैं. पहले तो आपको एआई एजेंट बनाना पड़ेगा, आपको फंक्शंस देने पड़ेंगे टू दैट एलएलएम, एंड देन यू नीड अ रेस्ट एपीआई. दैट्स इट. लोकेश, ना, डोंट वरी ब्रो, विल रीड आवर चैट. We are since day one here. I'm here since day 20. Yes, Lokesh. Like, I'll try my level best to read all the chats. AIDJ. Bro, which course I take after 12? I want to do AI. I have PCB, physics, chemistry, biology, and how long that course is, course name and duration. See, I'll suggest you go with BTech in AI ML if you are interested in that. Go for BTech with AI ML. KTS classes. Hello KTS classes. Welcome to my stream. Bro, DSA करना ज़रूरी है क्या प्लेसमेंट के लिए? मुझे मर्न आता है. See, if you are in college, if you are in first or second year, I'll suggest you, yes, do DSA, like do 1 to 2 questions every single day. Gitanjali Kahar. I am from BCA and I want to start coding and मुझे कहाँ से start करना चाहिए और किस तरह से call you tell me. Yes, Gitanjali, first is that I'll suggest you simply learn JavaScript. That is the first thing to do. Second step, after you learn JavaScript, learn HTML and CSS. That is the second step. Then in the third step, learn Reactjs. Learn Reactjs. That is your first phase. First phase over. Then in the second phase, build one or two Reactjs projects using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That is your second phase. And in the third phase, start learning about backend like Node.js, Express, MongoDB, all these things. And then in your next phase, try to build full stack projects. That's it. Sam Claren. Hello Sam, welcome to my stream. I'm currently I'm writing a compiler. A subset of it is what I am pitching to my company. Oh, that's great, man. That's great, Sam. Manchal Kumar, please reply, bhaiya. Manchal, I did reply. I hope you got my answer. Unique Explain. Nice, bro. Thanks, Unique Explain. Welcome to my stream. Angry Gandhi. Hello, Angry Gandhi. Welcome to my stream. Bro, chat पढ़ो but इतना भी मत पढ़ो कि because coding कुछ नहीं हो रहा है इससे coding करो. Okay. Yeah, man. I'll try my level best. Ashish, hi bro. Hello Ashish, welcome to my stream. SK Trader. भाई मुझे 5 मिनट बात करनी है पर्सनली तो मेरे से तो कुछ पॉसिबल हो सकता है. यू कैन DM मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. भैया AI बनाने वेबसाइट में इंटीग्रेट कैसे करें? आपको LLM यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. ओपन AI या कोई भी LLM यूज़ करो, API की यूज़ करो. CD backend fine. So there was backend. TypeScript has been installed in my dev dependency. TypeScript is there, TSX is there, Prisma is there. Now we'll install the types for npm i-d types for bcrypt first, and I'm using here bcrypt. Yes, types for bcrypt. Types for bcrypt done. The npm i-d types for cookie parser fine. Cookie parser types course npm i-d types course. भैया वैसे तो AI एजेंट रेपलिट या एनिटेन से भी बन सकता है ना. येस, यू कैन यूज दोज टूल्स टू बिल्ड योर AI एजेंट, बट you know those tools are paid, and in future if you want to build your own startup or own your own company, then you want to save your cost as much as you can, right? And if it's a very big AI agent, then you should build your own AI agent, I believe. Lokesh, C#. Yeah, you can learn C#, Lokesh, if you're interested. Then you will need to work with .NET. भाई वैसे आपकी कोई जॉब लगी है अब तक या छोड़ दी? मैंने छोड़ दी, मेरी जॉब थी. आई हैव लेफ्ट माई जॉब. Easy, hello Easy, welcome to my stream. Bro, should I go for Python as first language? Yes, Easy, you can go for Python as your first programming language. Chirung Goda. Bro, I am in second year and I want to know which has better scope in perspective of job between C++ and Python. Chiru Goda, I'll suggest you learn Python for job. User from Mars. Hello user. Bro, why can't you use AI to build this project? See, my goal is with this project is to learn how to build AI agents. See, I will be using chat gpt or claude just for the chatting and debugging purpose, but I'll not build this app entirely using AI because I want to learn how to build AI agents. SK Trader, what's your Instagram ID? SK Trader, you can get my Instagram ID in the description of this stream. User from Mars, like anti-gravity or cloud code. See, my goal is to learn. That's why I'm not using those right now. In future, when I start building my sites, then I'll do that. Sir, how many years of experience do you have in MERN stack? See, I learned MERN stack in last 1.5 months. Wokinova, yo. Hello Wokinova, welcome to my stream. Manchal, oh, सिखाओ ना ऑटोमेशन में काम आएगा. जैसे कस्टमर से बात करनी हो तो ऑटोमेशन 50 कस्टमर से बात करनी हो वेबसाइट में इंटीग्रेशन करना, इस प्रोजेक्ट में आप सीख जाओगे. इफ़ यू फॉलो दिस प्रोजेक्ट यू विल लर्न हाउ टू यूज AI एजेंट्स इन योर एप्लीकेशन. Shivam Kumar Verma. Hello Shivam Kumar Verma. Welcome to my stream. Is .NET good for 2026? See, I will suggest if you are fresher, then don't start with .NET. Start with Django, Spring Boot, or MERN stack. Iron Gain. Hello Iron, welcome to my stream. For Gen AI, which language preferable? See, Gen AI, if you just want to use an LLM in your application, you can go with JavaScript or Python. But if you want to build your own LLM, then you need to go into Python. Iron, Guruji, coding kar lo. Yeah, like, thank you for reminding. Yeah, thoda coding like guys. User from Mars, how did you learn with 1.5 months? Suggest me the roadmap too, bro. See, basically, I learned, I knew about full stack development. I worked with Django and Spring Boot in my past. So that's why I was able to learn MERN stack very quickly because I know the flow of the applications. Wokinova, what is PERN stack? PERN stack, Wokinova PERN stack stands for Postgres, Express, React, and Node. Ankit, waiting to see the first line of this project. Okay, let's start. Fine, guys. Now I'll focus on the project, and after a few minutes, I'll read the chats. All right. NPMI course is done. NPMI course. NPMI -d @types/express. Express is done. NPMI -d express. Express, then NPMI -d. Hold on. -d. No types, node. Yep, I'll be using @types/node. This is done. Node, then types pg. NPMI -d @types of pg is also done. PG is done. Then after this, TypeScript and TSX and Prisma. And anything else? JSON web token types are not required in JSON web. Okay, let's see. NPMI -d @types/JSON web token. Let's see if it gets into. I think JSON web token types are not available. Let's see. Okay, types JSON web token. Fine. Okay. What else? Pcrypt, cookie parser. Fine. .env is here. Yeah, cool. Okay. And now let's get started. So first thing is I need to make some changes here in npm. Here in the dev script. tsx watch src/index.ts. Cool. Hold on. Social media. Yep, this is correct. Then here I'll have a build command, npm run build, and it will be tsc, and here npm run start. It will be node src node dist/index.js, and this we can remove this line. For now. You can remove this line. Okay, this is done. Now I need to create a tsconfig.json. tsconfig.json. Hold on. If I come here and if I watch this, hold on, just
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy.
close this and just check the GitHub code, source code GitHub, and if I come to the backend and if I see the tsconfig here, compiler options, target ES20, okay, module common JS, okay, common JS module, fine, output directory, ES module, okay, we can copy this, okay, hold on, not this one, tsconfig, if I come here, tsconfig here, if I come here, copy this, if I paste it here, hold on, if I paste it here and if I see here, strict true, force consistent casting, ensure casting is correct in imports, force consistent, let's make this true, force not in exclude, here module, hold on, target ES20, fine, strict is true, ES module, okay, and after this I can put this here, force constant casting file names, okay, option target correct, module common JS here, node next, okay, output directory is my dist folder, root directory is source, okay, this is done, strict true, okay, now let's quickly create an express server here. If I come here, now if I come here and if I create a new folder src, and here I'll create index.ts and here I'll create app.ts, there we go. Now if I come here and I'll create an app first and .env also, here I'll create .env and here the port is going to be 4000, port is done. Now for now we just need the port, and here import express from express, then const app equals express, export not we can just do it here only, then here if I come app const port, here we go, and anything else here, nothing, and here from dot import dot env from dot env, then dot env dot config and after this path will be dot slash, hold on, I think here if I check just a sec, src in my src in my index.ts dot slash dot env, yep, slash dot env, path is here, then import app import slash from app.js, and here hold on, here in my okay, let's just see that here, and if I do const, not here, I do const port equals process.env dot port, and if this is not here, then it should be 4001. This is done. Then I can use app dot listen, and where will it listen? Okay, from here and import app dot listen to port, and here we'll have this, and here we'll get console dot log server running on port. This is done. Console. Let's create a test route. Test route app dot get index.ts port here. Just a sec, guys. If I come here, .ts. I'll just do test health check. Let's make this health check, and let's make this, and let's make it request comma response and try catch. We have to make this hold on. Okay, let's just keep this try catch. Not try catch not required because no database operation. Return res dot status 200 dot json success true message health good. Fine, this is done. Now let's do one thing. If I come here, what is npm run dev port 4000, and if I come here, http localhost health, I think it was health check. Yep. Okay, my API is working absolutely fine, but here I'll just check one thing first before I proceed, is that Priyanshu. Hello Priyanshu, welcome to my stream. Using API or LLM? Priyanshu, I'm using like I'll be using LLM, OpenAI LLM through API key. Nine games. Fame is getting out of hand. Absolute cinema. Gentleman. Sir, आपका front end and back end में कितना years experience है? Like I've been doing this full stack development since 2020. Shubham Rai, bro, difference between dev dependency and dependency. Basically, see, dev dependency, when I compile, for example, when we do npm run build or npm run start, only dependencies are used. Dev dependencies are used only in the development part, like TypeScript, because TypeScript code gets converted to JavaScript only, right? So in the server, we don't need TypeScript because there we are not doing any development. We are just doing deployment. So TypeScript is only used for development. So that's why we keep TypeScript or any other packages like types of Express and all these things in the dev dependency. Tanmay, GPT-8 man. Okay. SK Traders, have a nice night. Take care. Thank you, SK Trader, and thanks for joining the stream. Tanmay Rane. Good night. Good night, Tanmay Rane. Loving up. Should we use Windsurf in Visual Studio, which is usually used to do complete the coding scripts in Visual Studio? See, if you are a beginner, then I would not suggest you any AI IDs. User from Mars. What was your previous project about? I saw social media app. Like, is it like Instagram? User from Mars. My previous project, like it is my ongoing project only, but deployment part is left. Basically, development part is done for that project. It's a combination of Reddit, Instagram, and Twitter. That entire application, if you see, it's complete Combination of Instagram, Reddit, and Twitter. Easy. How can I improve my English at least communication level तक? Read books, read newspapers, English newspapers. बिरियान, हेलो बिरियान, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. व्हाट्सअप अभिषेक भाई. एक जनरल क्वेश्चन, कोडिंग करने के लिए मेरे पास एक 8 GB रैम का लैपटॉप है, शुड आई अपग्रेड इट टू 16 GB? मतलब कोई डिफरेंस रहता है क्या? मैं तो बोलूँगा जस्ट फॉर बिगिनिंग यू डोंट नीड टू अपग्रेड, लर्न इट विथ 8 GB रैम लैपटॉप ओनली. But if you are going into AI/ML and all those deep learning models, then you can use a 16 GB RAM. On board say, what are you making? I'm making an AI agent that can handle note making applications and like a note making AI agent, something like that. SK traders, नहीं भाई, आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप कोडिंग कर सकते हो 8 GB में. या ट्रू. केवल बॉय, हेलो केवल, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. वॉट समवन चूज अमंग दीज Golang and microservices, Java, Spring, DSA? I will suggest you go for Java, Spring with DSA. Keval, and welcome to my stream. Phoenix Gaming, न्यू माउस ले लो, इतना पैसे का क्या करोगे? मेरे पास न्यू माउस मेरे ड्रॉयर में ही पड़ा हुआ है. इफ यू सी, ये देखो एक नया माउस ड्रॉयर में ही पड़ा हुआ है, बट आई एम टू लेजी टू यूज इट. अरे मैं काफी आलसी हूँ यार. लविंग भट्ट, or only projects of full stack? Loving Abhinav, or how are you able to memorize so much? See, I'm not even memorizing it. If you watch this stream from beginning only, see, I've not memorized anything. It's about understanding the flow of the application. Gitanjali, can I learn two or three languages one time? Gitanjali, if you're a beginner, then don't learn 2 or 3 languages simultaneously. Choose one language, be good in it, then you can learn any other language. Okay, Thug's Life. I'm in CSE 4 SEM, and I just know little bit of coding. Currently, I'm building a website by AI. Is it good or bad? See, for learning purpose, building an application with AI as a beginner I don't recommend that, because you will not learn anything, and in future you can get problem in that. मंचल कुमार, आप क्या बना रहे हो? हमें समझ नहीं आता है. मैं एक AI एजेंट बना रहा हूँ. बेसिकली मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ सीख भी रहा हूँ कि हाउ टू बिल्ड AI एजेंट. इस प्रोजेक्ट का गोल है कि मैं खुद ही सीख जाऊँ AI एजेंट कैसे बनाते हैं. बेसिकली so that you guys can see, even if you don't know anything, how to self learn, how to self teach, and then you can figure out solutions even if you don't know anything, you don't know particular thing. That's my goal with this project, and we will be building an AI agent. Sidur, hello Sidur, welcome to my stream. Are you currently working in any company? No, I'm not working in any company. मंचल कुमार, मुझे इंटर्नशिप चाहिए 4 मंथ का, कहीं रेफरल लगा सकते हो क्या भैया? मुझे खुद मेरे उतने कॉन्टैक्ट्स वगैरह है नहीं, मैं खुद अभी जॉब वॉब नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो कोई वैसा है नहीं मेरे पास. यूजर फ्रॉम मार्स, cool, so cool that you are replying to each comment. Oh, thanks user from Mars. I try my best. Okay, this is done, but I need to check one thing, that if I come here now, if I do where is it, my package.json, if I do npm run build, then what happens? Npm run build, what is happening? tsc, we got the dist folder here, right? And if I come to my, this is my index.ts, and if I come to my index.js, we got this, and let's try to run this. Backend node dist / index.js, server running on port. Now if I come here, refresh it, hold on, just check one thing. Where is it? Server running on port, index.js, app.ts, health good, and server is up and running. Let's keep this for now, and we'll close this, and we'll do npm, oh not this, we'll do npm run build. Fine. Now if I go to my index.js, where's my app.js? This is my app.js. Okay, fine. Now if I go in node dist / index.js, now if I do this, now if I come here, and here if I do, yeah, okay. So this is happening, but what happens if I make it common? With my ts config module, what will happen if I make it common js? Now close it, npm run build. I got an error. Option module must be set to node next when more version. Okay, let's comment this one for now. Now let's see what happens. npm run build. Let's see. Now if I come to index.js, okay, index.js, these things are happening. Can't require. Okay, it's converting to require, but here I'm typing index. Now if I remove this, now if I do npm run build, now if I come to my index here, is it require? Now if I do node test slash index.js, so we have to write app.ts and app.js type, right? But here if I come here, strict true, skip lib check, skip checking on all ds dot, skip lib check, common js is my common ts config, skip lib check, true, exclude this, let's add this also, exclude, let's do this, let's add the exclude part here and put a comma here. Let's exclude strict true, force consistent casting in file names, skip lib check true, type roots, yes, module interrupt, okay, true, test, module common js here. And if I see this code, backend SRC code, and if I go to my index.ts, controllers, and if I see auth controller, here, package.json, dev ts node dev ts6, dev ts node dev port file, fine. Let's not complicate this in that way. We'll come here, common js, not this should be node next, make it node next, and here also uncomment it, node, here also keep it node next, keep it node next is here, hold on, keep it node next, this is done. Hello. This is done. कुशल सक्सेना भाई, आपका फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है करियर का? कुशल सक्सेना, माय फ्यूचर प्लान इज टू बिल्ड माय ओन स्टार्टअप एंड माय ओन सैस. अनीश शर्मा, भैया आप जॉब भी चॉइस नहीं कर रहे हो क्या? डिफ़िकल्ट है जॉब मिलना इन एआई एरा. भाई जॉब भी चॉइस नहीं कर रहे. इट इज़ नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट इफ़ यू आर स्किल्ड, देन यू विल गेट अ जॉब. निखिल ठाकुर, हेलो निखिल ठाकुर. एंड मेक command to build and run simultaneously. Okay, we'll try that, Nikhil. Lokesh. Chalo, good night, bro. Good night. Yeah, Lokesh, good night. Good night, brother. Hamid Hussain. Hello, bro. Hello, Hamid. Welcome to my stream. Did you remember me? Yeah, Hamid, I do remember you. Anshu, in which year, bro? Anshu, I've completed my BTech. अनुराग सिंह वो खत्म जिस पे वर्क कर रहे थे अनुराग सिंह दैट सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट पार्ट इज डन आई हैव डॉकराइज्ड इट एज वेल now the thing is I cannot live stream the deployment part because there are lots of sensitive information, so I'll make a separate video when I deploy it. Oh no, my code, have you mentioned your channel? Have you monetized your channel? Oh no, my code, I have not monetized my channel yet because watch time, I think watch time is also required something. मंचल कुमार भैया मुझे भी स्टार्टअप चालू करना है, क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले स्किल बनाओ and first you have to start it alone, then when if if people are interested they will join you. अवस्थी अभिनव अवस्थी नयन. हेलो अवस्थी नयन, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया मुझे अभी एक ई कॉमर्स एजेंट बनाया है यूजिंग टाइपस्क्रिप्ट एंड पाइथन. दैट्स ग्रेट अवस्थी, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अनुराग सिंह कॉन्गो ब्रो, थैंक्स अनुराग एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. मंचल कुमार कोई ऐसे अभी तक नहीं है पर स्टार्टअप चालू करना है, क्या आप कुछ बता सकते हो? कुछ आइडिया? सी आपको मैं बस इतना बोलूँगा कि ऐसा कुछ बना जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे या लोगों को ऐसा कुछ दे जो नहीं मिला उनको. दैट्स इट. Web dev. What Node Next does? Basically, web dev, this Node Next is basically a, when we compile the file, it does not compile it to require CommonJS module. It just compiles it to whatever in this import fashion only. For example, see right now the code is like this, right? Now if I come here and if I do npm run build, see here app.js. See here now it looks like this, right? But now if I run this command, this will change. Yeah, see now this code is follows this import syntax. That's why we use Node Next. Node dist / index.js. Fine, come here, run it. This is working fine. Close this, or keep it. Now if I come here, there we go. Where is it? Yeah, close this and clear everything. So this is working. So my server is created. Close this, close tsconfig, close this. Package JSON also close it. App.ts, index.ts. Fine. Now let's connect our database. Now next thing is to connect the database. For that we'll be using pgadmin. Basically if you're using Postgres, you need to install pgadmin. Pgadmin 4. Let's wait, it opens up. हामिद हुसैन भैया मुझे 2 months में merge stack करना है. हामिद, like if you're a beginner then 2 months is a little bit of unrealistic expectation where you think in 2 months it can be possible, but you will not, like theoretically it is possible, practically you need to build projects, right, to be very good in it. So you need to give at least 4 months. Anshu, how to make communication skill and English like you? Anshu, like read books, read English newspapers. Close this server. Postgres database. I know guys, there's no dark mode in Postgres. pgadmin PERN chat application. Let's close this. Nikhil, you need help in the error you are currently getting. Nikhil, like I have solved the error, and thanks for हामिद हुसैन, क्योंकि मेरे पास रेफरल है भैया. मुझे 2 months में मंच स्टैक करना है क्योंकि मेरे पास ओके. अच्छा, अगर आपका रेफरल है तब तो मैं बोलूँगा एक सिंपल सा प्रोजेक्ट उठाओ, प्रोजेक्ट बना के सीखो. दैट्स द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न. मंचल कुमार, जैसा बिजनेस को ऑटोमेट करना ठीक है कि नहीं एआई ऑटोमेशन का काम? या मंचल, सी एआई ऑटोमेशन इज यूज्ड टू मेक business processes automated, right? Oh no, my code. How much GB RAM do you have? Oh no, my code. My laptop has 16 GB RAM, 16. Nikhil. If you need any help, let me know. Sure, Nikhil. Hamid Hussain. भैया मुझे दो. I told you build projects, build a blog full stack blog application. विवेक चंडल. हेलो विवेक, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. मुझे ये पूछना है कि हम कोड करते करते आफ्टर सर्वर इन ऐप डॉट जे एस, देन उसके बाद इस पे जाना है कंट्रोलर या मॉडल या राउटर या व्यूज़, बिकॉज कंफ्यूज हो रहा है और हो कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ. सी विवेक, इट्स अ फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर इशू. We can write the entire code in one single line, but to make the code more structurable, we build all these controllers, models and schemas, right? Oh no, my code. How much GB RAM do I told you 16 GB RAM, 16. Anshu, suggest me some books. See, I am a big fan of Fyodor Dostoevsky. He's a very good writer. You can start reading his books. Fyodor Dostoevsky's book. You can read it. Yash, bro, right now I'm 6 sem and I can't sit in placement due to backlogs, and I will be able to sit in placements at 8 sem. So I want to ask, do students get placement in 8 sem or not? Yes, if companies come in your college, then yes, you can get placement, but the goal is you need to be really skilled, like really skilled. Kang the Conqueror. Bro, did you host your previous project? Kang the Conqueror, the development part is left. I need to buy a domain and then I can host that project. And I'll make a separate video when I deploy that project. So, yep. Avik Sharma. Hello Avik, welcome to my stream. भाई आप कौन से कॉलेज से हैं? आई एम फ्रॉम SMIT, Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Sahil. Is vibe code any future? Sahil, yes, vibe coding has a bright future in my opinion, but you need to learn a basics of coding. World Puzzle. Hello World Puzzle, welcome to my stream. Hamid Hussain. Okay, got it. 2 बार send हो गया था. Okay. Yeah, Hamid, I'll just brief it. Pick one good project, like it can be a MERN blog application, right? Then give your 2 months just with the goal to complete that project on your own. If you can do it, you have learned MERN stack. Saggy Singh, what are you developing? Hello Saggy Singh, welcome to my stream. I'm building a note making AI agent where the AI agent has access to functions and database calls. Then we can just give command like remind me to go to gym tomorrow. Then the LLM will create and decide which function to call, and it will be an automated process. Okay, there we go. Where is it? Where's my VS Code? This is my VS Code Prisma client. Okay, so now if I come here, where is it? If I come here and I need to create a database. In database, let's create database. What should be the database name? PERN AI agent, PERN note making AI agent, PERN note making AI agent. Cool, this is done. Now if I come here and if I go to my backend.env, if I do this db url, I will be come here. I'll come here. Not db database URL. If I come here, then here in my pawn chat application, not here. Close this. Close this. Come here. My application backend in this .env. Open this just once, and the database. This is my database URL. Copy this, and if I come here, URL. This is my database URL, and here it will be PERN note making AI agent. Database URL done. Database URL is done. Now if I come here, we have to do few things. src is done. fine. Before I do that, okay. विवेक, या आप बता कि सिक्किम मणिपाल कैसी है, फैकल्टी वाइज एंड प्लेसमेंट कैसी है वहाँ का. प्लेसमेंट इज़ ओकेश, नथिंग स्पेशल, बट faculty like it's a basic college. You have to learn on your own. That's the basic thing. If you cannot get dependent on, if you are going to college for BTech, you have to work hard and you have to learn your skills on your own. You don't know me. Hi Abhishek. Hi, you don't know me. Welcome to my stream. How are you, brother? Jatin, what about the shipping part? Jatin, like I'll make a separate video on the deployment part because I cannot live stream the deployment because there are lots of sensitive information and I cannot show it to everyone because then I'll get billed a lot. Sahil, which IDE best, anti-gravity or VS Code with Copilot? I use VS Code only. I've never tried anti-gravity, so I think VS Code only. And should deep learning. Yeah, you can learn deep learning. Jatin, what about shaping? Yeah, I told you, like, I'll make a separate video on that. Gentleman, sir, job के लिए DOM पर and project पर ध्यान दें या JS concept पर DSA पर. See, for job to get interviews, you need projects. You need good projects. And to crack the interviews, you need a good JS JavaScript skill. Jatin, what about shipping? I told you, Jatin, okay. Kumar, पहले जो चैट एप्लीकेशन बना रहे थे वो बन गया क्या? हाँ, बैकएंड हो गया है. चैट एप्लीकेशन लाइक चैट एप्लीकेशन बैकएंड इज डन, front end is left. When I'm Scoder, bro, can you please explain the project idea? Basically, my project idea is something like this. What will happen is, this is my app. In normal note making application, what we do, we describe, we create a note title, description, then we create post, right? Then the note gets created. But here there will be this interface where you can use this AI as an assistant. Like you can just type that, you can type here, remind me to wake up early tomorrow. You can just type this and this application will create the node. You don't need to do anything. This entire node will be created here by LLM because we have given the functions or tools access to the LLM. That's what AI agent is. Congrats भैया, पहले आपका चैनल पे 100 सब्स थे, अब 1K हो गए. Oh, thanks Hamid Hussain, thanks a lot man. Sagi Singh, so which AI API you're using for this? I'll be using OpenAI LLM API key for this. Sajid, bro, I made Android app in Flutter, but Google Play rejected due to using Flutter 2.8. So how to resolve? You need to improve. You can improve the Flutter version. You should use the latest version, I think. Gentleman, sir, are you freelancer or working with any company? Gentleman, I'm a freelancer. When I'm Scoder, are you using API? I will be using OpenAI's API key, which I will not show you guys, obviously. Okay, now there we go. There we go. There we go. Now let's come here. Let's do npm. Hold on, should be npx prisma init. Let's do this. Let's see what happens. npx prisma init. What happened? Yeah, we got prisma config process.env define config. Okay, .env, not like this. Import .env from .env, then here .env .config, then we need to pass the path here as ./.env. There we go. This is done. Prisma config is done. And then here we'll have schema.prisma, and this will be, hold on, this will be, I think, Prisma. Where is it? Chat application, Prisma, schema.prisma. This will be Prisma client.js, Prisma client.js output directory. Okay, hold on. come here, output directory, and here in my Prisma config, path migration, Prisma migrations. Okay, so here if I come here, src, then we get it generated slash. Okay, let's keep this, and this will be Prisma dash js and ts config, not this ts config, Prisma config.ts. Here we have Prisma migrations. All right, fine, this is done. Now we need to create the schema. We need to create the Prisma schema. Hold on, I'll just create the folder structure, backend src Prisma. So we'll have controllers, we'll have routes, controllers, routes, we'll have utils, and we'll have types. These three are done. Okay, आविक शर्मा, भैया आपको इतना नॉलेज कैसे है? आपको तो IITian होना चाहिए था. Avik Sharma, see, the thing is that if you have curiosity, you will find ways to improve your knowledge, and you don't need any college tag or any external validation to make you knowledgeable. You just need that hunger and that curiosity. That's it. Kang the Conqueror, is OpenAI free to access for such applications? It is not free. Basically, I have $5 open APIs credit, so I'll use that. Sahil, which is best, web or Android development? If Android, so which, React Native or Flutter? If Flutter, so why? And React Native, so why? Oh, that's good question, Sahil. See, as a beginner, I'll suggest go for web dev. But if you are really interested in mobile dev, then you should go for React Native. Why? Because React Native is really easy to learn. Because I have learned React Native, and once you learn MERN stack, then React Native becomes a cakewalk for you. But if you are fresher and you have no knowledge, I'll suggest you learn MERN stack. Sagi Singh, are you planning to embed auto agent here? For example, as you are saying, agent will set alarm for 5 a.m. morning. Now with the help of agent, you will schedule cron job and alarm will ring at time. No, not like that. No, not so complex. Basically, for that we'll be, we need to, it's not a mobile app, right? It's a desktop app, like web app. So what we'll do, like not this example, for example, we can, basically it will create a note. This LLM will create the note. For example, you can come here and say, buy vegetables, or for example a task. For example, you describe the task. I want to read a book by Fyodor Dostoevsky, right? This is a task. When you send this, your LLM will decide, like your LLM will create the note, and then it will be stored in a database. And then if you say that if you give another message, I have finished the book by Dostoevsky. If you say this, then your LLM will automatically mark this task as updated. So it's a smart to-do application, something like that. Fine. Jatin, bro, which SEM you are in and how do you see future of AI system stacks? Jatin, I have completed my BTech and AI has a bright future in my opinion. AI agents are getting very popular. AI agents are making businesses autonomous, right? Swayam, suggest a good project for resume 6 SEM. Build a complex e-commerce application where, but the X factor is you create a chatbot also for that application e-commerce where the knowledge base is your database, so your LLM knows what products are available in a database. हामिद हुसैन, भैया मुझे बेसिक जावास्क्रिप्ट आता है, रिएक्ट सीख रहा हूँ, कैन यू सजेस्ट एनी प्रोजेक्ट ऑन यूट्यूब विच विल हेल्प मी? React, there are good projects in YouTube. Like there's this, if you only for React, there's this YouTube channel called Roadside Coder. That's a good channel. You can follow that. Gaurav, hi Gaurav, welcome to my stream. Gentleman, sir, when to shift from web dev to app dev? Any idea? Once you have built one or two good web dev project, full stack web dev projects, see backend remains the same. Even if you are using, even if you are building a mobile app, the backend process remains the same, right? Only the front end client changes. Instead of web app, it's a mobile app. So once you are good in backend, then you can shift to mobile app also. Gaurav, what is PERN stack? Why do you use it over MERN? See, basically, as a developer, you should know how to use SQL database as well as NoSQL database, right? So for NoSQL, we know MongoDB properly. But for SQL database, we should also know how to use Postgres or MySQL with Express React Node, right? So that's why we are using PERN stack in this application. Tanmay, bro, is it necessary to learn TypeScript? I only know JavaScript. See, in industry, TypeScript has become a standard. So, you should learn TypeScript. It will help you. अंशु भाई जावास्क्रिप्ट करने के बाद टाइपस्क्रिप्ट करे. हाँ अंशु करो, टाइपस्क्रिप्ट करो. Jewel manual. Today what are you going to do, bro? Jewel manual, today I'm starting a new AI agent project where I'm building a simple AI agent using PERN stack. The goal of this project is so that I can learn how to build AI agents using PERN stack. And today the goal is, first initialization is done. Now we are working on the models like user table and the node table. We'll create these two tables today. Okay, Saggy, it's not about web or mobile. It's an AI automation engine. The interface can be web, mobile, API, or even WhatsApp. Core logic stays in backend driven. Yeah, that is true, Saggy. Niraj, Gen AI. Yep, it's a Gen AI project. Abhish Nitesh. भैया आई एम फाइनल ईयर में हूँ, 4 months रहे हो बस. रिएक्ट नेटिव एंड फुल स्टैक हूँ, कॉलेज में कंपनीज नहीं आ रही है, फैमिली कंडीशन बहुत ख़राब है भाई, कंपनीज कैसे अप्रोच करूँ? आप अभी नितेश, आई सजेस्ट यू फर्स्ट अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, फुल स्टैक कंप्लीट अच्छा डिप्लॉयड प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. लाइक उसमें AI भी डालो, लाइक फुल स्टैक ईमेल राइटिंग एप्लीकेशंस और full stack e-commerce applications, social media applications. Build those things, then go to companies, build a good resume and keep applying and make your JavaScript concept really strong. How you manage the migration like Prisma init? See, basically what happens in Prisma, first we initialize Prisma init, right? Then it creates a prisma.config where we create the output directories, where we create the path where you store the migrations and all those things. Then we have a command called npx prisma migrate. It creates the migration, and to apply those migrations in the database we use npx prisma generate. That's it. Bro, most of LLMs API paid. Why? Because see, those are companies running LLMs requires a lot of resources. So to keep this sustainable, even if I create an LLM company, even I will charge it, because if you're doing something good, you should get paid for it. That's what I believe in. Gaurav, I prefer Golang and Java for backend. I know Postgres, React. I know all the basics. How do you get good at it? Build projects, Gaurav. Only projects will make you a very good developer. श्रेय शर्मा, भाई स्प्रिंग बूट कैसे करे? See, Spring Boot, first you need to learn Java, then learn Spring Boot like Spring Security, beans, what is the concept of beans, then Spring Lifecycle, dependency injection, all those things, and build projects. Jewel manual, Prisma help to write complex query simple. See, Prisma is an ORM, and basically what happens in Prisma, for example, we have used Mongoose, right? Mongoose is also an ORM. It helps us to write MongoDB queries very easily. Similarly, for SQL databases, we use Prisma as an ORM. It helps us to write simple queries, like complex queries, very simply. Shivraj, hello Shivraj, welcome to my stream. Are you using Python for backend? No, Shivraj, I'm using TypeScript and PERN stack. Harsh Dikshit, hello Harsh Dikshit, welcome to my stream. Sir, wipe coding really practical for projects? See, you can build projects, but if you are a college student and a fresher, I will suggest you build projects on your own. Don't wipe code it. Sonu Nigam, hello Sonu Nigam, welcome to my stream. सर मेरे BCA सेकेंड ईयर है तो मैं किस चीज़ पर बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग करूँ? प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. गौरव, any full stack projects ideas which you admire and love to build? I built a social media application. I really loved that idea. That's why I built it. You can watch that stream, social media application stream, Supreme DS. I'm back, bro. My sleep is really fucked. Welcome back, Supreme DS. Okay, so now this is done. This is done. Now we create the schema. If I come to my GPT, close this, close this, close this, yeah, close this also, close this. Now if I come here, I am creating a full stack AI agent using PERN stack. The user will register / login. Then user will describe what to do in what to do. Then the AI agent will create the note, update the note, get note by content, get note by ID, or delete the note depending on what the logged in user asked to do. Tech stack is Node.js, TypeScript, Expressjs, Postgresql, Prisma. After Prisma, what we have? Postgres, Zod, then JSON, web token, bcrypt, Reactjs, ShadCN, TailwindCSS. Basically, it's a note managing AI agent. Open AI. Gentlemen, sir, when to shift from React to TypeScript? See, basically React is a library and TypeScript is a language. So right now React is mainly used with TypeScript. So if you learn JavaScript, I will suggest just invest 1 or 2 days to learn TypeScript. Then you can work with React using TypeScript. Bean, hello Bean, welcome to my stream. How did you learn Gen AI, and what will be the roadmap for Gen AI? Specifically, I am final year. I want to learn this, so my tech is completely full stack. So that's the reason. See, first is that before you learn Gen AI, I would suggest you learn about full stack development, because Gen AI is just an API that you use in your backend. So I'll suggest you learn full stack, then build 1 or 2 good projects, and then understand how to use Gen AI in your applications. Mohammad Bashrat. Hello, Mohammad Bashrat. Welcome to my stream. Hello, friend. Which language should I try first learn? I would suggest learn JavaScript. And welcome to my stream. Tanish, what is PERN? Tanishk, Tanishk Noob. Welcome to my stream, Tanish Noob. PERN stands for Postgres, Express, React, and Node. फैज़ान अहमद, हेलो फैज़ान अहमद, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई, आपने जीपीटी की लिमिट ख़त्म नहीं होता, मेरी तो 5 चैट में हो गई. मैं फाइल वाइल शेयर नहीं करता हूँ, मैं सिंपली मैसेज करता हूँ इसको, एंड आई यूज़ इट फॉर डिबगिंग पर्पस. वेब डेव, विदाउट क्रिएटिंग माइग्रेशन कैन वी डेवलप अ फुल प्रोजेक्ट इन SQL? Yes, you can do it, but you have to write raw SQL queries, and that is a very bad practice. Sahil, bro, vibe code क्यों आया, and why company like Google made agentic ID? See, vibe code is a very good way to use LLMs to basically build your own applications, and it came into the market because people want to make the process of software engineering really easy. So that is the reason. Okay, where is it? And guys, just a reminder, if you're new to my stream, do consider subscribing to the stream. Gaurav, P in PERN stack stands for Postgres, right? Yes, Gaurav, you are right. Tanmay, Bhaiya, I understand code but cannot write front-end code. Should I try to write whole code for my project, or should I use AI to create projects and understand code? 7 Tanmay, I'll suggest that use AI only to generate the UI part, and baki ka you do it on your own. Harshit Dikshit, what will you suggest for me to start with? I will suggest you go for MERN stack. Biryan, what happens if the user types random bullshit? You don't mention that. See, if the user types random bullshit, then LLM will only respond, okay, sorry, I cannot help with this. You know, that's why LLM is so powerful. Tanishk, and in GPT clone also, have you used AI integration for OpenAI? Yes, I have used OpenAI. Ayan Khan, hi, hello Ayan Khan, welcome to my stream. Flexing my pause, is it Prisma 7 or 6? Flexing my pause, it is Prisma 7. Gen AI is more like using LLMs API in your full stack web project, right? Yes, Shivraj. Thug Hunter, I like Python but JavaScript confuse me. How shall I do that? Then learn Python, and then if you want to get into full stack, learn Django. Faizan Ahmad, any good DBMS semester project? You can create a library, like a basic library application, because library is a very good application to understand the CRUD operations in DBMS. Abhishek Sharma, hello Abhishek Sharma, welcome to my stream. भैया मैं कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, कुछ सजेस्ट कर दो टू गेट इनटू दिस सेक्टर. I suggest first thing is that you should learn a good programming language. You can learn Python or JavaScript. Sagi, how you worked with Next ORM? No, I have not worked with Next ORM. Next ORM. Pratham Singh, code bro. Yeah, Pratham, let's code. Fine. Guys, now I'll again try building the application, then I'll read the chats. And just a reminder, if you're enjoying, consider subscribing. Project concept, create node, update this. Instead of buttons, I create simply says create a note about my gym routine, update my startup idea note, delete the note. Oh yes, exactly. Basically, those who want to understand what I'm trying to build, this is what I'm trying to build. AI becomes the controller layer. Code, React, or core flow, very important. User backend authentication user. AI agent decides action, create and operate, yes. Tool execute safely, response returned. System design, I want production grade code structure and flow. Core principle React, OpenAI, number client controller, application service, business logic, AI agent orchestrator, yes, tools, domain services, repository, database, product folder, app, server, config, env logger, okay, modules, auth. Okay, let's follow this structure. Cool. Modules, nodes, agent, lib, prisma, middleware, types, async handler, this is not required, layer, controller layer, http only. Never put logic here. Find node service, fine. Okay, this is the prompt. Give me the full code and guide me step by step. Dikshit Saurabh. Hello Dikshit Saurabh, welcome to my stream. What's your point on Salesforce developer? I have never worked with a Salesforce developer, so I don't know much about it. Tanishk, bro, I have a doubt. I have completed two full stack projects, an Airbnb clone and ChatGPT clone using the MERN stack. Should I learn Python for AI? Most people switch to Python, so I'm confused. See, if you want to build something from core, like your own LLM, then you should learn Python. But if you just want to use GenAI LLMs in your full stack application, then you can stick with JavaScript. Neeraj, Django or MERN? If you are leaned towards Python, then go for Django. If you are leaned towards JavaScript, go for MERN. I like MERN more, so I am into MERN. Bean. I know full stack like front end and back end. Also, I one cloud. So how should I get to know the agents? See, in this project, I'm trying to learn how to build AI agents. Basically, you need to build all the controllers and functions. Just need your LLM access to those functions. Project roadmap. Okay. Let's do backend setup. Okay, install, fine. Okay, I need to install OpenAI as well. I forgot to install OpenAI. npm I OpenAI. npm I OpenAI. Package.json. नोमैड पर्न में पी का क्या मतलब है? नोमैड पर्न में पी का मतलब है पोस्टग्रेस सीक्वल. Flexing my pause. TypeScript is very hard with Node. How can I be good at it? Initially, it can be hard, but if you build one good project, like you can follow my own my repository, you can go to my GitHub repository, you can follow a code where I have built with TypeScript, and you can code along with it with that repository. Web dev. Bhai, I think about the project, but when I go to initiate the project, then I get stuck. How should I approach that phase? I suggest you first you approach it by building the ER diagram of the project. Right. Then you can get a mental model of what you need to build. Tanishk, I have a doubt. I have completed two full stack projects, and okay, I told you I answered that. No, you can use LangChain JS, and for multimodal use LangGraph. Okay. Your creational. BTech versus if I use if I full for me. I suggest first learn a good programming language, then go for full stack dev. Sam, hi भैया कैसे हो? Hello Sam, I'm good. How are you? Can you review a project backend for me? Project backend for me. You can send the repository link in my Instagram. I'll review it after this stream. Postgres SQL के लिए कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करते हो? मैं PG एडमिन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. PG एडमिन Postgres के साथ आता है. And for ORM I'm using Prisma. And for validation we'll be using Zod. For admin, yeah, I am using Postgres PG admin. Bean, ER diagram or DT diagram, which one we use it for initial creation? We use ER diagram. I use ER diagram basically. All right. So OpenAI has been installed. Is there any types for OpenAI? npmi @types/OpenAI. Okay, no types for. Okay, fine. Done. This is done. Let's come here. This is done. This is done. This is done. We have done the phase 0 part. Node next. Node next. Cool. 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 This is done. Backend server TSC. Node this server JS. This is correct. Folder structure. App. Server. Config. Lib. Middleware. Modules. Modules. Okay. Modules. Let's follow this folder structure. Okay. Config. Find controllers. Prisma. Close this. If I come here, modules. Okay, let's follow new structure here. Routes. Delete this. We can create here new folder. Modules. Then we can create the new folder lib. Right, we can create lib. Then we can obviously will be using middleware. New folder middleware modules. Hold on, we are using modules. Middleware config. Okay, we don't need the controllers. Delete controllers. Okay, modules, middlewares. Fine. Let's do one thing. I am not liking this folder structure. I'm not liking this folder structure that GPT sent me. I'll delete this. I'll do my own. Middleware is fine. Lib is fine. Utils is fine. I can just create here controllers, and I can also create here routes. This is much more better for me. Fine. Okay, this is done. This is done. Phase 2 Prisma. This is also done. JWT secret. Let's give a JWT secret also. JWT secret equals, so give a random secret. Fine, I gave a random secret. JWT secret. Now this is the important part. So here a user ID, email, password, notes created at. Nomad. Bhai, I know a lot of front-end framework like Framer, GSAP, 3JS, and also learned Gen AI with Node.js application. अच्छे project ideas कहाँ से लाओ यार? समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. I need good AI projects यार. See, good AI projects, you should sit and think. Like, what can I automate? Either you can make an writing assistant application like email writing assistant, DM writing assistant. That is one thing. And if you want to go into AI agents, then maybe you can start with a bit like the way I am doing it, like note making AI agent. Then you can try to create an AI agent where it sends email on your behalf. But for that you need Google API keys and all those things. Ryuk, hello Ryuk, welcome to my stream. Are you creating AI or you using a pre-made AI agent, API as agent? I am using OpenAI LLM API key, and I will be using function calling where I will create the function and I'll give access to those functions to the LLM. Nomad, भाई आजकल एक भी AI इमेज जनरेशन ऐप API नहीं मिलता, सारा पेड है. इवन जेमिनाई का इमेजिन भी गॉन नाउ. Yeah, see, basically, AI applications need a lot of resources to run, and that's why it's not easy to run it for free for a longer period of time. Shivraj, where do you host your backend, Supabase or VPS? Abhishek Sharma, I host my backend in VPS. I don't use Supabase. Raja Sahani, what are you building? All right, I'll see. Can we not just use anything? Rajesh Sahani. I'm building a full stack AI agent using PERN stack. Nomad. Yes, we can use N10, but it is paid. And if you want to run your own company as a SaaS and all, if you have money, then obviously you can use those things. But I'll still suggest that you should learn how to build AI agents from scratch. It will help you to get a better understanding. Tanmay, bro, can you suggest a YouTube playlist for backend? Yes, Tanmay, there's a playlist on Chai or Code YouTube channel called Backend Playlist. You can follow that. Ryuk, well, not only the projects which have AI is good or have automation. A normal CRUD with higher encryption is also best project. Yeah, that is good. Rajesh Sahani, PERN, Python, Django, or Fast API. Basically, PERN Rajesh Sahani, PERN stands for Postgres, SQL, Express, React, and Node. Nomad. Where do I learn to build AI agents from scratch then? I'll do that next. See, this is my first time building an AI agent. Basically, I know full stack development and I know the basic concept that AI agent is just LLM with access to your functions and tools, right? So I'll be building this project and learning how to build AI agents as well. So you can follow the way I am doing it. Bean for backend. Namaste.js is too good. Oh, that's nice, Bean. Tanmay, bro, I only know CRUD and auth in backend. In MERN and PERN, how to learn more in backend? You have to research. You can learn with ChatGPT. You can ask GPT to teach you. That's how I learned. Rajasthani. What is backend language? JavaScript. What is apart from JavaScript? Rajesh, can you explain what is your question? Hold on. So there we go. So now let's build the ER diagram. Now we'll build the ER diagram. This is my ER diagram. Basically here we have a user and a node. This is my user. This is my user. Fine. So we are storing ID, email, password. We are storing ID. Hold on. ID. Not here. We are storing ID. This is of type UUID. Type UUID. Then this also, it will be of, what the hell, man? Hold on, delete this. If I come here, if I do this, ID, type UUID, then email of type string. This will be string. Why am I communicating the function? This will be string. Fine. Then I'll have the password. Password is string. Then after password, I'll have notes, which will be of type note, created at, this will be date time. This is done. Hold on, let's just make it a bit better here, something like this. Yep. Okay. And now we'll have the notes. We'll have the notes here. Nomad. Alright, I follow along with you then. Basically, project-based learning. Yeah, Nomad. I am a big fan of project-based learning because that is the best way to see. While watching tutorial, just to understand the basics, that is fine. But people get stuck in the tutorial hell a lot, right? When they watch a tutorial, they are able to learn. But once they stop watching the tutorial, they're not able to build anything, right? So I think that's why project-based learning is a better way to understand the concepts. BGMI prop. Hello BGMI prop. Welcome to my stream. Hey, do you know any free website which can summarize my AI text into human written need for my research project? Yes, there is a very good project. Basically, I know it. It's called zerogpt.com. And basically, it will detect, like how much plagiarism, like how much it is written from GPT. You can use this to check. Viscal L Barca. Hello, Viscal L Barca. Welcome to my stream. Which editor are you using? Viscal L Barca. I'm using VS Code. Nomad. All right, bro. Subbed. Thanks for your suggestion. Oh, thank you so much, Nomad, for subscribing. Thanks, man. Rajesh Sahani. MERN, you don't need API, so I'm asking API will be written which language? We need API. API will be written in TypeScript only. Nomad. Yeah, Bean. Bro, can a beginner able to learn GenAI by directly building projects and learn each steps by help of GPT plus with some knowledge of full stack? Is this motivate for those videos are you doing right now? See, Bean, yes, if you know full stack, then you can learn about GenAI by, using GPT and then working along with it. You can learn that. That's how I learn. Ryuk. I also think of that. Yeah, yep, with some knowledge of full stack. Is this the motive for these videos are you doing right now? Yeah, basically I am showing the raw part, how I learn things. This is my first time of building AI agent. I know full stack with MERN and PERN stack properly. I know that. And I also know that basically AI agents are LLM with able to call with the ability to call functions. That's it. So if I combine these two, I can build an AI agent. And that's what I'm doing. That's the basic thing. And now I'm using GPT to teach me how to do that. Okay. So here in the notes section, we'll have the note ID, obviously. Then note ID will be of type UUID, note ID, done. Then email. We'll have notes. I don't have email. Then I have content. Obviously, I'll have the content. Content. I also want, hold on, content. I also want in note to check if task is, if I want to add is completed field in note model. This is done. Model note upgrade user is complete. Fine. Default false. Okay, step to run migration. Hold on. Okay. Fine. Phase 8, not phase 8. Phase 2. I am in phase 2 now. Let's see. This I have done. This is not required now. Fine. This is done. Client DB user nodes. Okay. Update is completed. Okay. Fine. So content. I'm adding the content here of type string here. Content of type string, then is completed boolean string uid boolean, then is completed, then user id, obviously which user has created this user id. This will be uuid and this will be a foreign key. Okay, fine. User ID, cool. This is done. after user ID, I'll have created at, I'll have created at date time and updated at date time. And this is done. Choose this and put it here. This is done. Fine. And so now we'll create the relationship ID, and this note will be, okay, not this, here this note will be related to this thing. Fine, this will be related to this thing. Then this ID, user ID, this will be related to this thing. Done. Fine, user ID. Cool. Okay, this is the basic relationship. Nodes will be created by user. Okay, done. Ryuk, please don't promote any AI automation to make people dumb. And the project you showed now, I hate them for real. That not automation. Ryuk, like people research it but not learn from it. Ryuk, like what do you mean? Matlab, can you explain, Ryuk? Bean. You're right, bro. This might get habituated later. Prashant Sharma, what are you doing right now? Prashant, I'm trying to create the model, user and nodes model. Prime 18, hi bro, suno na. Hello Prime 18, welcome to my stream. Keshu Nali, how many years onwards you have been learning full stack? I've been learning full stack from 2020. Slowed music reverb. Bro, आपका पहला project done. Yes, slowed reverb, the development part is done and dockerization is also done. Only deployment is left. A deployment I will do in a separate video, not in a live stream. Prime 18, भाई मैं भी कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग में हूँ. ओ दैट्स ग्रेट. मुझे थोड़ा एडवाइस दो ना. सी आप कौन सी ईयर में हो? स्कल क्रशर, हाई ब्रो. हेलो स्कल क्रशर, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. Ryuk, the project which convert the AI return to human return in sec. Like you hate that kind of projects. Bean, he is saying that people get searched for all projects from YouTube and they does a lot of research on it instead of learning from those processes. Yeah, that is true. Ganesh Kumar, hello Ganesh Kumar, welcome to my stream. Slowed music rub. वो डिप्लॉयमेंट कब देखने मिलेगा? जब मैं सबसे पहले मुझे डोमेन खरीदना पड़ेगा, देन डिप्लॉयमेंट देखने को मिलेगा. Prime 18, second year diploma. Okay, Prime 18, then your first target should be to learn a programming language. You can start with Python or JavaScript, choose one, but learn it properly. That should be your first target. Bhai, advice do na. Bhai, do na advice. See, Prime 18, the first thing is understand one programming language, and then you have only two jobs. One, to learn full stack development using that programming language, and second, solve one or two DSA questions every single day. Just do these two things every single day for next 6 months. Slowed music reverb. What can we use? When can we use your SaaS? Slowed music reverb. See, right now I'm building an AI agent using PERN stack. You know, I'm doing all this thing is that so that when I start, these are the skills that are required for my SaaS. When I start building my SaaS, these are the skills that I will be using. So before I start building my SaaS, I'm trying to learn new things. Prime 18, भाई को भी hate मत दो, भाई को कोई hate मत दो. Thanks Prime 18. Okay, you AI agent में क्या बना रहे हो भाई? I'm AI agent में I'm building a note making AI agent. Prime 18, भाई मुझे Python नहीं आता. Prime 18, then you can start with JavaScript. Shivam Mahato, hello bro. Hello Shivam Mahato, welcome to my stream. Prime 18, आप अपना course start करो ना. Prime 18, like right now my target is to build my own SaaS and start my own startup. Maybe in future I'll start, maybe if I'm interested in teaching, then I'll start something like a course or anything. But right now my target is to build my own SaaS. Shivam Mahato, please give advice. I'm in class 10. Shivam, you have a very, you are early and you can learn. Your first goal should be to learn one programming language. I will suggest you start learning Python. Keshu Nali, idea for your SaaS. I think it will be a basic, simple, but a very root cause problem solving SaaS. It will be a B2B SaaS. That I can say now. Prime 18. My name is Aditya. Okay, Aditya. Welcome to my stream, Aditya. I hope you're enjoying it. Prime 18. भाई आपकी IG है क्या? हाँ, Prime 18. You can find the description of my Instagram in the. You can find the link to my what am I saying? You can find the link to my Instagram in the description of the stream. Ryuk, yes bro, okay. मुझे इसका क्वेश्चन होगा, पूछूंगा. Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. Your explanation is good. Thanks Prime 18. No, रैग बेस्ड चैट जीपीटी अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है क्या रेज्यूमे के लिए? Yes, I have built a rag based GPT using Django. You can find that repository in my GitHub. Okay bro, कर लिया follow सिर्फ reply दो. Yeah, Prime 18, I'll check the DM after this stream and I'll definitely reply to you. S Anish, भैया भाई I have learned agentic framework like LangGraph, AGNO, workflow automation, anything. I want to build production grade systems. Should I learn React and MERN? Yes, you can learn React and MERN because after you build the agent, you need to host it somewhere and you need a full stack application so that people can actually use it, right? So you can learn MERN stack. Why flex? Bhai, my class 12 is done. What should I do, BC or BTech? See, BTech and BC has only one difference, is that in BTech, in some colleges, companies do come to BTech students to offer them jobs, and BCA you have to go to the companies. And in BTech, see, in India, job requirements, they mention that only BTech students or at least BTech degree or engineering degree is required. So I think you should go for BTech. Prashant Kumar. PERN means bro. Prashant Kumar, PERN stands for Postgres, Express, React and Node. Basically, instead of MongoDB, we are using Postgres database. Gumball, Yflex भाई अगर मैथ्स है तो BCA मत करना. Okay. Kishu Nali, is your SaaS built privately or public? Right now it is public. I have not even started building my SaaS. I'm learning skills that will help me build my SaaS right now. आप स्टूडेंट हो क्या या जॉब भाई? FCKU 6154, hello, welcome to my stream. Basically I have left my job. I had a job. Right now I am working on my own startup and SaaS. Just Chill Gamer. PERN stands for Postgres, Express, React, Node. Prashant Sharma, can you show the architecture diagram and give a demo or something? Basically this is the architecture of this AI agent. User and notes. User can create notes, but instead of user creating the note, user will describe a task. For example, if you come here, if you see here, basically user will only say the task, what it needs, something like this. Where is it? Yeah, something like this. Like user can only say create a note about my gym routine, then the AI will create the note and update it in the database, then update my startup idea node. All these things AI will do that. Akash Kumar, भैया कल कहाँ थे? Akash, actually like we completed that social media development part, so I thought that I needed 1 day break, because I don't want to like burn out myself, so that's why I took 1 day break. Ganesh, hello Ganesh, welcome to my stream. Bro, from where to start DSA? You can start DSA from Striver. There's a YouTube channel called Striver. You can learn from there. Shivam Mahato, bhaiya, what is Perceptron? That is a very good question. Perceptron is basically a deep learning model. Basically, it's a deep learning model. It has basically Perceptron is a single model it takes an input. It takes an input here. This is an input. It has weights and biases inside, and then it will predict an output, right? So this is an perceptron. Perceptron is the simplest form of neural network. Only when you have only one neuron, it's called perceptron, right? It's a algorithm. It's an algorithm, deep learning algorithm, right? So now if we have lots of perceptron, basically you have seen this neural networks. I think you guys must have seen this neural networks diagram, right? Where we get all these things, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this, something like this. You must have seen this diagram of neural networks, right? So if I ask you guys, what is this? This one single thing, it's a perceptron. This thing, see, if you just isolate this one, it looks like this. It has an input, it has weights and biases inside, and then it predicts an output, and this output goes as an input to another you know, what is this called, perceptron. So when you have more than one perceptron in different layers, basically this is your input layer, this is a L1, this is a L2, this is a L3, and this is the output layer. Basically this is a simple neural network. You know, this is how LLMs are designed, but basically here this one isolated thing is called an perceptron. That's it. Okay, let's remove this. We got a little off topic here, but yeah, it is a very interesting thing. And we can build this thing using libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow. I used PyTorch. It is more like Python only, so that's why. Okay. संस्कार वंजारी भाई, क्लॉड क्या है? क्लॉड बेसिकली एक चैट जीपीटी जैसा ही चैटिंग सिस्टम है, लाइक एआई एलएलएम सिस्टम है, एंड क्लॉड कोड एक टर्मिनल में कोड करने वाला एआई एजेंट है. द एनिमेटर बॉय, भैया मैंने भी किया है, मैं तो आईटी में स्विच कर सकता. भाई मैंने बीए किया है तो मैं आईटी में स्विच कर, हाँ आप कर सकते हो. द एनिमेटर यू कैन स्विच टू आईटी, बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्किल्ड. वाई फ्लेक्स? बट भाई वाई मैच तो है, तो बीसीए मत करना. ओके. हेत पटेल, हाई आई एम लर्निंग HTML एज वेल with Python just for fun. Is it okay? Or I don't need to since I can write the code. See, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and React, it is for front end, right? And you are learning Python, that is fine. Prashant, how to deploy a project on GitHub? You first need to initialize Git in your project and then push that code in a repository. Gumball 69. Prime 18. भाई आपके बारे में कुछ बताओ, आप क्या पढ़ते हो? Prime 18, I have completed my BTech in information technology. I did work in a company for 1 year and then I left my job because I wanted to do my own thing, and that's what I'm doing right now. Anish, is it possible to learn Reactjs in 2 days? If I lock in, I like to build complete SaaS products. See, yes, you can learn it theoretically, but if you want, see, in 2 days you can learn React theory aram se. But to be really good in it, you have to build projects, and building projects takes time. Nomad, भाई मेरा एक भी चैट नहीं दिख रही क्या? Nomad, I think I answered your questions. Which one? Nomad, it shows message retracted. Your previous chat, it shows message retracted. Ryuk, Abhishek Sharma, let's create a small AI model without any library. Yeah, that's a very good thing. Maybe in future we can do that. Maybe. Prime 18, nice man. Thanks Prime 18. Heath Patel, I meant AI can write the front end, or should I do HTML? Yeah, see, if your goal is to build your own SaaS and startups, then you can maybe skip HTML, but don't skip CSS and JavaScript. Aniket Singh, I'm a third year student. Give some suggestions. My suggestion would be to learn a good programming language, learn either JavaScript or Python, and build projects and learn DSA. Nomad, bhai, I know exact same stack as you, and I'm thinking of following you along. Just the idea to learn. Do you have a Discord or something where I can show you or something? But I'll be using JS since I don't know TS. Okay, yeah. See, I don't have Discord right now. I'll be creating a Discord server maybe by next week. But you can follow me on Instagram or you can DM me on Instagram. We can connect there. Prashant Sharma, I am having issues with its ability to handle handwritten languages. Oh, basically you are trying to build an OCR, optical character recognition. Uh, that's a very good project, I think. Prime 18. भाई size SaaS क्या है? Prime 18 SaaS is a business model. It stands for software as a service. There basically, for example, you use mm, you nu- uh, you use Netflix, right? You pay subscription monthly, and that's how you use Netflix. So Netflix is a basic example of SaaS only, right? Or maybe an email writing agent where you pay maybe $9, $5 per month, and you write emails using AI. That can be a SaaS. Heth Patel, bhai, your subs are booming. Oh, thanks, Heth Patel. Nomad, Insta. Yeah, Nomad, you can get the Instagram link in the description of the stream. Prashant, do you know about OCR? Can you suggest some other library to do OCR other than PyTesseract? See, I know OCR. For PyTesseract, I don't know. I don't know much about the library, but I know the concept of OCR. Heth Patel, bro, you have 1.15k. पैसे ही पैसे. Thanks, Heth Patel. Ryuk, will I not get any job in it and work in non-IT labor for money? Well, I not. Can you explain, Ryuk, what are you saying? Okay, Prime 18. Acha. Aniket Singh, I solved a question on lead code and I worked on project, but sometimes my mind is frustrated. Yes, Aniket, I can completely understand that. See, the thing is, you have to be patient. Don't lose patience. Okay. Wuzu, hello Wuzu, welcome to my stream. Do you work anywhere? Right now, Wuzu, I don't work anywhere. I am trying to build my own startup. S. Anish, I'm good in Python. So should I learn JavaScript or building backend systems? Yes, you can. I'm good in Python. See, if you are good in Python, there's no hard and fast rule that you have to learn JavaScript for backend. You can use Django for building backend. Prime 18 style. Hello Abhishek Sharma. Yes, Prime 18. Hello Abhishek Sharma. Okay. Are you doing a job or build this full time? Mana Telugu, I'm trying to build my own SaaS for full time. What AI agent are you making and planning to build a business around it? See, this AI agent is only for my own learning so that I know how to learn how to build AI agents. And in future, when I start building my SaaS, then I'll be using these skills. And basically, it's an note making AI agent. Khan edits. Do you know MERN from cohort? Do you know MERN from cohort 3.0 Harkita? No, I did not join any cohort. I learned everything from YouTube. Nomad. Bro, portfolio को attractive कैसे बनाऊँ? Any advice? Like I want to use components, but cleverly I can't be using spline like 3D models. पता चलेगा लोगों को. I don't want to build 3D model myself. मैं तो बोलूँगा कि पोर्टफोलियो का सिंपल वेबसाइट बना लो AI यूज़ करके. मैं तो खुद अपना जब पोर्टफोलियो बनाऊँगा मैं तो AI यूज़ करूँगा. Yflex, bhai, roadmap for juniors. Learn one roadmap for juniors should be learn one programming language, either JavaScript or Python. Be very good in it. Then every day solve one or two DSA questions, and along with that, for the rest of the day, learn full stack development. S. Anish, difference between Django and Fast API. See, Django is a very vast framework. It is also known as battery included framework. You have everything. You have your own ORM. There's a concept of apps inside Django, right? So Django is very huge. Like, yeah, it is used by Instagram and Spotify also. And Fast API is more like Expressjs, like lightweight. भैया कल रन बना लेना Poopy. Hello Poopy, welcome to my stream. Fandom Flex, bhai, which language is good for DSA? I mean, like, I know Python, so is it good for DSA or should I go with Java? Because many people say Java is good for DSA. But see, you can go for DSA with Python also. There's nothing like that you can only do DSA with Java. You can do it with Python also. Heth Patel, which IPL team do you support? मैं उतना आईपीएल देखता नहीं हूँ, मैं उतना क्रिकेट लाइक आई वॉच इट, अगर टीवी चल रहा है आंख पड़ जाती है तो देख लेता हूँ. ऐसे तो आई लाइक CSK, आई लाइक RCB. Sanskari Vanjari. Hello, Sanskari Vanjari. Welcome to my stream. What is lead code and how to use it? As you're studying artificial intelligence data science. Basically, lead code provides you DSA questions that you can solve and prepare for interviews. You can go to leadcode.com and you can, check it out. Vuzu, do you have any prior experience? Yes, Vuzu, I have 1 year of working experience. I have worked as a 6 month as a contractor where I build a full stack application, and I have worked different freelancing projects. Sachin, bro, read my message. Yes, Sachin, what was your message? Nomad, I learned Django fast API even though my text time earned. I don't think Django is worth it. उसमें WebSockets भी नहीं है. Yeah, Django has some issues. Prime 18 style भाई daily life करोगे और time. Yes, Prime 18 like अभी we are working on AI agent, so unless and until we complete this project I'll be coming I'll complete this project only and I'll be coming live every single day after 10:30 p.m. The animator भाई जावा सीखनी चाहिए या C+? मैं तो बोलूँगा जावा सीखो. कुंदन भाई ट्वीट्स के लिए एजेंट बनाने में कितना खर्चा आएगा? इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी गुड आइडिया. ज़्यादा खर्चा इफ़ यू आर स्किल्ड इनफ, यू जस्ट नीड दी API. ट्विटर का API की लेने के लिए आपको शायद 800 रुपया महीने का देना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ है. हेत पटेल भाई व्यूज़ बहुत आ रहे. नाउ इट विल बी हार्ड फॉर यू टू स्पॉट माई कमेंट. इन द बिगिनिंग इट वॉज ईजी फॉर मी इफ आई वॉन्टेड टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. हेत पटेल, सी इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू रीड ऑल द कमेंट्स. You can DM me on Instagram also. After the stream I'll reply to the DMs. Alright, so let's get started now. Again, let's continue a bit of development. Fine. Okay, so this is my schema. We'll create a model for user, and we'll have ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of type string 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this will be of type ID, and by default it will have UUID. Fine, this is done. ID, I'll take email. Let's not take the name and all. Hey, let's take the name. Yeah, let's take the name string. Then let's take email of type string, and email should obviously be unique because okay. Then we'll have password of type string. After password I have notes, and here we'll be using array of notes. Fine, then created at date time, and at the rate default should be now. Yup, and this is done. Then it will be model note. Now if I come here, keep it like this, ID, then here I'll have ID will be string, and type will be of type ID, and by default it will have UUID. Note is done. Then content, I need the content of the note. Yep, I'll have the content of type string, and after this is completed will be type boolean, and by default it will be false. By default it will be false, I think. Yes, false, right? And then because when we create an ID by default it's incomplete only, right? Then I'll have the user ID. And this will be of type string. Now we'll create the relation with the user. Hold on, not here, let's do it at the end. Okay, created at, it will be date time, and it will be at the rate default of type now. Done. then this will be updated at, and this will be of type date time only, and here it will be updated at, right? And now we'll create the relation with user, and here it will be this user, and we'll create the relation at the rate relation here fields user ID, and this will be references to ID. So basically meaning of this line is we are creating a relation, right? Like this user, hold on, basically this line means that this particular user, see, we are giving fields as user ID. So this field is for this node. In this node, what we are using this user ID. That's why I'm passing user ID. And whom does it references? It references, here I'm giving this name. I'm giving this name, right? I'm giving this name, and now in the references, see, references means what do I call this user ID in the user table? In the user table, I'm calling it ID, right? So that's why here I'm giving this ID name. References means this tables, in this table, what am I calling this key? I'm calling this ID, right? This is that thing, and here we're calling it user ID. So here it goes user ID. So this basically means this user ID is referencing to this user ID. That's it. Fine, this is done. Okay. Ranjan Oja. Hi, need a suggestion. I was working as a manual tester. Now the company shut down and I am jobless. And now I am learning automation with Playwright. Should I continue or change to development? Rajan Oja, welcome to my stream. I will suggest you that you start with development because it is easier to get a job there. Prime 18, RCB. Oh, that's great. Prime 18 means Aditya. Your name is Aditya. Prime 18. Yeah. Kundan. Hello Kundan. Welcome to my stream. आप फ्री में ऐप फ्री में बनाने बता रहे हो या उसमें प्लान्स लेना पड़ेगा? क्या किसमें फ्री में? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन कुंदन? यश भाव वाईटी. हेलो यश भाव वाईटी, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. ब्रो मेरा यार 12th में 56% है. इट्स ओके. सी 12th ना होता है, एक बार आप कॉलेज में घुस जाओ 12 मैटर करता भी नहीं है. इट्स ऑल योर स्किल्स. 12 आपको सिर्फ कॉलेज तक ही घुसाएगा, उसके बाद 12th का परसेंटेज कोई काम नहीं है. अनमोल यादव. हेलो अनमोल यादव, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. What project you recommend for backend in 2026? To start with, build a backend of an e-commerce application. There you will learn everything: rate limiting, caching, middlewares, routes, controllers, authentications. You will learn everything. Fake friends, new experience short. Okay. Go C++. Okay. रोशन कुमार. Bro, 6 month preparation करने पर जॉब लग सकती है? हाँ. Yes, Roshan, if you do it dedicatedly and if you do it in a disciplined way, you can get a job in 6 months. Ryuk, hello, Abhishek Sharma here. Bro, age, Ryuk, I'm 25 years old. विवेक, CSKR से बोल देता हूँ, लाइक्स आ जाएंगे. अरे सीरियसली मेरे को विराट कोहली भी पसंद है, मेरे को धोनी भी पसंद है. अब क्या करूँ, मैं इतना नहीं देखता हूँ मैच. प्राइम 18, एज, माई एज इज 25 years old. वाई फ्लेक्स, बाई सेल्फ टॉट नेम के भी कोई चीज़ होती है. आई मीन या वाई फ्लेक्स, देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड सेल्फ टॉट. यू बेसिकली टीच योरसेल्फ. बेसिकली आई एम अ सेल्फ टॉट कोडर ओनली. कुंदन भाई, ट्वीट्स के लिए एजेंट्स बनने में कितना खर्चा आएगा? मैंने बोला कि भाई डेवलपमेंट का पार्ट पूरा ईजी है. सिर्फ ट्विटर एक्स से आपको ट्विटर की API लेने में आपको थोड़े पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. नो मैड भाई, आई हैव फॉलोड यू ऑन इंस्टा. आई फॉलो यू अलॉन्ग टू लर्न. Don't worry, I won't copy anything, just for learning. Hope for your guidance. Yeah, no man, it's fine. Like if my project helps you, you can use it. I have no issues with it. Kundan, my tweets के लिए I told that. Okay. फ्री में बनाना नहीं बता रहे हो या उसमें प्लान्स लेना पड़ेगा? कुंदन, आपको API ट्विटर की API यूज़ करने के लिए पैसे देने पड़ेंगे ट्विटर को. लूफी भैया, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू एंड व्हाट कोर्स यू परस्यूड? Hello, Luffy. Welcome to my stream. I'm 25 years old and I did not pursue any course. Like I learned everything from YouTube, bro. This AI agent's purpose. This AI agents is basically will take a command from the user, like basically make my routine, make my gym routine. Then AI agent will create a note for that uh, task, right? Something like that. ऐसा niche. Okay, there is no use of learning fast by Django for backend. तो मुझे JS सीखना ही होगा. Okay. Okay. भाई कोई ट्रस्टेड बंदा बताओ ना ट्वीट्स का एजेंट बनाने के लिए. पे करने के लिए रेडी हूँ. ट्रस्टेड बंदा तो मेरे आईडी दिमाग में कोई है नहीं अभी. किरण अंगाड़ी. डीएसए कौन सी लैंग्वेज में करना चाहिए? डीएसए में जावा में करो या जावास्क्रिप्ट में करो या पाइथन में करो. मैं तो बोलूँगा जावास्क्रिप्ट आती है तो जावास्क्रिप्ट में ही करो. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ माई ग्रुप डज इट इन पाइथन एंड जावा. ओके. Okay, I'm a agentic AI dev. I'm trying to build a product, but I have no time to learn React. Then you have to give your time because you know time is required to learn anything. It is very important. Okay, wait, hold on. If now this is done, now if I come, now I just need to build one more thing. Hold on, where is it? Phase 2 complete. Okay, Prisma. Inside server.ts, not this. This is a singleton. Okay, singleton. This is done. This is done. Now src lib prisma.ts. We do this. Okay, close this. Src lib. I'll create prisma.ts. Now if I come here, export const prisma. Now if I come here, chat application, PERN chat application. Hold on. Prisma, close this. src utils. Anything here? Not here. Authentication, validation, db.ts. Not this, not this. Hold on. Pool, we are using pool. Okay. Prisma client. Hold on. Okay. So now if I do this, my package.json, this is my package.json. I create few more here. Let's do db migrate. db npm run db migrate. Hold on, if I come here, this json db migrate, it should be this one. Copy this line of code. db migrate, db generate, db generate npx prisma generate. This is done. This is done. npm prisma migrate generate. Now come here, npm run db migrate, npm run db migrate. Let's see. Error. Database string is invalid. Okay. .env. PERN note making AI agent. Hold on. Database URL. Okay, got it. This is the issue. You run db migrate. Okay. Now npm run. See, before we generate, I just want to show you guys one thing, that if we go to schemas and if we go to tables, we did migrate, and it generated these tables. All right. Now if we go here, npm run db generate. Fine, this is done. Run db migrate. Fine. Okay. So this is done. Now if I come here, where is it? Now if I come here, close this. We don't need this. Now if I come here, there we go. Here, pg or repository codes as. Hold on, just one thing. If I come here, my lib prisma.ts, this pg. Okay, we're not using any pool here. Not using any pool. Okay, here we are using a pool. src utils db.ts. We're using a pool. Connection string. This pool from pg. Cool. But here, if I come, okay, got it. Yes, prisma.connect, lib prisma.connect. Okay, let's try this. Prisma connect. Let's do this. Hold on, if I come here, adapter. Adapter is here, and here if I do local, there's no adapter here. Okay, we'll do this. We'll do something. Yeah, we'll do this. Fine. Import dot env from dot env. Fine. ब्रो फ्रेशर हूँ, कोई प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, फ्रीलांस एक्सपीरियंस में ऐड कर सकता हूँ क्या रेज्यूमे में फॉर इंटर्नशिप? यस, यू कैन ऐड ऐसा नीश. ओके. फाइन. ओके भाई, लोग कोई ट्वीट्स के लिए एजेंट बनाने दे सकता हो या पे कर दूंगा. ओके ब्रो फ्रेशर हूँ कोई क्या? भाई मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, जो आप एआई एजेंट बना रहे हो, इसके लिए लाइव बना रहे हो, लाइक थोड़ा एग्जांपल दो ना. और जो ऐप बना रहे हो वो सब फ्री में बन रहा है या कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना पड़ेगा? भाई मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि जो आप एआई एजेंट बना रहे हो वो किस लिए बना रहे हो, लाइक थोड़ा एग्जांपल दो ना. और जो ऐप बना रहे हो वो सब फ्री में बन रहा है या कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना पड़ेगा? सी द थिंग इज़, ये जो एआई एजेंट बना रहा हूँ, एक सिंपल एआई एजेंट है. ये क्या करेगा, सिर्फ आप उसको टास्क दोगे और वो नोट बना देगा. दैट्स इट. और वो नोट अपडेट कर देगा आपके टास्क के हिसाब से. एंड इसके लिए बस आपको एलएलएम की के लिए $5 का कुछ जितना आप चाहो उतना का आप रिचार्ज करा सकते हो एलएलएम की के लिए. दीपक कंपाल, हेलो ब्रो बैक. हेलो दीपक, वेलकम बैक मैन. निखिल शर्मा, सर बीटेक सीएसई के बाद फील्ड में इजीली जॉब मिल जाएगी? नहीं, अगर आप सिर्फ डिग्री के भरोसे नहीं मिलती है, आपको स्किल बनाना पड़ता है, स्किल से जॉब मिलेगी. कुंदल, कोई ट्रस्टेड पर्सन बता दो, मैं पैसे दे दूंगा, डोंट वरी, बस मेरा काम आसान करवा दो. कुंदन कुमार, अभी तो मेरे नज़र में कोई ट्रस्टेड बंदा है नहीं. लाइक अभी मेरे खुद के पास प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं थोड़े फ्रीलांसिंग के, तो मैं अभी उस पर आपका ये प्रोजेक्ट नहीं उठा पाऊँगा आई थिंक. आप एक बार मेरे से इंस्टाग्राम में बात करो. नोमैड, डैम ब्रो, 25 साल में इतना टैलेंटेड, मैं 21 साल की उम्र में भी फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं बना पाया. इट्स ओके नोमैड, सी डोंट स्ट्रेस योर सेल्फ, जस्ट अभी जब जागो तब सवेरा. अभी आपको रियलाइज़ हो रहा है, आप अभी सीखना स्टार्ट करो, आपको कुछ दिनों में प्रोजेक्ट बनाने लग जाओगे. दक्ष शर्मा, हेलो दक्ष, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. ब्रो आपको क्या स्किल आता है? दक्ष, मुझे फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट आता है. मैं मोबाइल ऐप्स कुछ भी बना सकता हूँ. Dant. Hello, Dant. Welcome to my stream, bro. Which college did you graduate from? Dant, I graduated from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Dak Sharma, bro. GPT giving free plus subs. Oh, that's nice. सब दिमाग के ऊपर से जा रहा है ये सब, वहाँ पे शिफ्ट विंडो शिफ्ट नो मैट. दक्ष शर्मा क्या ब्रो? ब्लैक फैंटम, इज माई चैट विजिबल? यस ब्लैक फैंटम, योर चैट इज विजिबल. भाई मैं तो बोलता हूँ एंटी ग्रेविटी खोल के क्लॉड ओपस सिलेक्ट कर ही लो, मेरे पेशेंस ख़त्म हो जाता है आजकल मैनुअल कोडिंग देख के. सी यहाँ पे मैं सीखने की कोशिश करूँ, जब मैं खुद का सैस बनाना स्टार्ट करूँगा तो ऑब्वियसली मैं एआई की हेल्प लूँगा, लाइक कोड एडिटर्स एंड ऑल, टू मेक दी प्रोसेस फास्टर. बट अभी मैं सीख रहा हूँ तो अभी वो सब मैं नहीं यूज़ करूँगा. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन द वाई डिड यू यूज पूल देयर? सी बेसिकली दिस पूल इज यूज्ड, from PG package. This pool is here, and basically before the data is stored, it is stored in a pool. Basically pool is a memory sort of thing. Here before the data is, this is my database, right? Before the data is stored in the database, first this is my server and this is the pool, right? First this pool comes here, it lives inside the database only, this pool, but before the write operations are performed, data is stored in the pool. Then here it is fetched and stored in the database, then pool is cleared. That is the thing. अनमोल यादव ब्रो, हाय ब्रो. सुनो यार, हेलो अनमोल, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. दक्ष ब्रो, आप एआई इंजीनियर हो क्या? मैं फुल स्टैक डेवलपर हूँ और एआई, मैं एक एआई एजेंट बना सकता हूँ. स्किल क्या है, आती है? कितना टाइम लगा? मैं तो डेवलपमेंट कर रहा हूँ 2020 से. Fine. Okay, let's build this. We'll come here. From okay dot env dot config. I come here now. If I give the path here dot env, fine. Then import Prisma client from @Prisma client. Okay, wait. Prisma schema.prisma test src. Here backend src generated Prisma. Okay. We got this. This lib should be inside src. Route should be inside src. Then middleware should be inside src. Controller should be inside src. Types should be inside src. Utils should be inside src. Fine. Hold on, all this is done. I come here. Wait, just a sec. Prisma. Yes, we have generated slash. Now if I just move this here, if I come here, I'll just delete this database. Delete it for now. Drop it. Migrations. Delete migration folder. I'll close this. Close this now. Schema.prisma. tsconfig. Not tsconfig. Prisma config. Prisma migrations. Okay, fine. This is done. Then Prisma. Hold on. Prisma. If I come here, I close this. Prisma config. This is done. src routes types. Prisma is src. Okay, Prisma is outside only. schema.prisma, and if I come here, schema.prisma, schema.prisma. Okay, this we have not mentioned anything. We can remove this output part from here. This is done. Prisma done. Here it is done. Prisma can close this. Now if I come here, we'll create the database again. Create this PERN note making AI agent. PERN note making AI agent. Save this. Now we don't have any schemas in tables. We don't have anything. Okay. And if I come here, schema, this is my schema, and Prisma config is also configured properly. Close this. Now if I come here, npm run db generate. See, npm run db migrate. Same schema, and now if I come and refresh, I got the tables. This is my table user. It's empty now. ID, name, email. Okay, and this is my table note. User ID. Fine. If I come here, this is done. Cool. Now if I come here, what's this? src lib prisma. See, now I'm not getting the error. Okay, fine. There was some issue where first we needed to create, then integrate. There we go. Prisma client. C utils db.ts db.prisma client, then import prisma pg from adapter. Cool. Then import pool from pg. This is done. Then const pool equals new pool. We'll have a connection string. There we have process.env.database URL. Right here we have this database URL. We have this. Then const adapter. Then const adapter equals new prisma pg, and I'll pass the pool passed, and then export const prisma equals new prisma client, and here I'll pass the adapter. Okay, this is done. Okay, now let's just create a simple route. Let's just create app.get /test. Have this just to check if everything is fine or not. Async request comma response. Response express. This is done. Then try catch. This here I'll get console.log error here. Now let's just see something, that const user or const notes equals, just one more thing, import prisma from Here I have lib, here I have prisma.js. Then here I can do await prisma.note.find many. Let's just do one thing. Return res.status 200.json success true, and here I have success true. Just a sec, guys, I'm reading the chat just after doing this. If the success is true and data is notes, I should get an empty array because now, but just to check this, I need to do one thing. Close this, npm run dev. Now if I come here, localhost 4000/test. Just before that, I'll just do health check. Fine. Now if I come here and if I do test empty array, I should get an empty. Yeah, data is empty. Cool. Okay, this is for fine. My Prisma has been configured properly. Okay. So Prisma configuration is done. All right. This is done. Node modules. Hold on. This is done. Now I can delete this test folder. Here, delete this test folder. This is done. Prisma SRA. This is okay. Close this. Now I come here and I'll close this. And I come Prisma configured a feature feet Prisma 7 configured user and note models created. Then commit push the code. Now if I come here, close this, now repository. Okay, fine. अभिषेक पांडे, हेलो अभिषेक, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई मैं 6 सेम में हूँ और मेरे 12th में 58% है. मुझे डर लग रहा है मुझे जॉब मिलेगी कि नहीं. मुझे अभी से किस चीज़ पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, प्लीज़ आप बता दो. देखो अभिषेक, 12th के जो मार्क्स होते हैं ना, वो सिर्फ आपको कॉलेज तक ही काम आते हैं. उसके बाद आपकी स्किल्स से आपको जॉब मिलती है. कोई आपको 12% में देख के आपको जॉब नहीं देगा. कुंदन भाई, मैंने डीएम कर दिया आपको, देख लेना आराम से. ओके कुंदन, मैं आपका डीएम देख लूँगा. अभिषेक पांडे, ऐसा क्यों करूं, ऐसे क्या करूं जिससे जॉब इजीली मिल जाए. प्लीज़ भाई, अगर आपको जॉब चाहिए तो आप अपनी स्किल पे काम करो. पहले एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखो. अगर आपको आईटी फील्ड में आना है, आप प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखो. उसके बाद क्या करना है, हाँ, उसके बाद आप प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. लाइक फुल स्टैक सीखो. मैं तो बोलता फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट सीखो, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ और उसको डिप्लॉय करो और अपना रेज्यूमे स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. दक्ष शर्मा, हेलो दक्ष, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. डेटा साइंस के बारे में बताओ कैसा है. डेटा साइंस अच्छी फील्ड है. अगर आपको पाइथन में इंटरेस्ट है, एआईएमएल में इंटरेस्ट है, डेटा साइंस में घुस सकते हो. नोमैड, हेलो नोमैड, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. ओ नोमैड तो यहीं था तब से. ओके यस नोमैड. मोबाइल ऐप्स कुछ भी बना सकता हूँ, ये लाइन मुझे भी बहुत है यार. कितना कूल लगता है. इतना मेहनत करता हूँ भाई, बट इट्स सो हार्ड फॉर मी टू बिल्ड थिंग्स फ्रॉम स्क्रैच even though I have knowledge. See Nomad, the thing is you have to be consistent. Discipline काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होता है. आप डिसिप्लिन रहो, हर दिन टाइम दो, कम से कम 2-3 घंटा डेवलपमेंट में दो, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ एंड टाइम के बारे में भूल जाओ. लाइक मैं जब डेवलपमेंट करता था ना, मैं जब सीख रहा था, मैं जॉब के बारे में सोचता भी नहीं था कि मुझे जॉब करनी है. मेरा गोल था स्टार्टिंग से कि मुझे ऐसा बनना है कि मैं खुद से कुछ भी बना पाऊँ. दैट्स माई एंड गोल, कि जो मेरे इधर आ रहा है मैं कोड करूँ और वो बन जाए. दैट्स इट. मैं इसीलिए डेवलपमेंट में घुसा. और इसमें क्या है ना कि एक बार आप बनाने लग जाओ ना, आपको काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट आने लग जाएगा। तो आप उस मोटिव से करो जॉब। इफ़ यू आर गुड एट समथिंग दैन तो जॉब आपको ऐसे मिल जाएगा। निखिल शर्मा, हेलो निखिल सर, मेनली स्किल्स क्या क्या सीख सकते हैं? मैं फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट कोर्स लिया है गीक्स फॉर गीक्स से, अभी उससे सीख रहा हूँ बट समझ नहीं आ रहा है कैसे करूँ। मैं तो बोलूँगा पहले बेसिक्स करो। आप एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज उठाओ, जावास्क्रिप्ट उठाओ आराम से, फिर जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो। एक चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल है, वहाँ पे जाओ, वहाँ पे आप जावास्क्रिप्ट की प्लेलिस्ट देखो, उसके साथ कोड करो एंड पूरा एंड टू एंड करो। फिर आप HTML एंड CSS करो, हो गया। फिर आप Reactjs सीखो, आप फ्रंट एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ। 2-3 अच्छे फ्रंट एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स के बाद आप बैकएंड सीखो, एक्सप्रेस सीखो, MongoDB सीखो, Node.js सीखो, फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ और डिप्लॉय करो, और डिप्लॉय करके रेज्यूमे में डालो, बस इतना ईजी है। दक्ष शर्मा, आप प्रोफेशनल वेब डेव हो क्या? अगर आप वेब डेव हो तो AI एजेंट क्यों बनाना सीख रहे हो? दक्ष शर्मा, हाँ मैं प्रोफेशनल वेब डेवलपर हूँ, बट AI एजेंट इसलिए बनाना सीख रहा हूँ कि मेरा गोल है एक SaaS बनाना, खुद का स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करना। एंड AI एजेंट्स अच्छा ही है, मतलब इसमें आपको फुल स्टैक की डेवलपमेंट की नॉलेज भी है, जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि मैं यहाँ पे अभी फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट पहले करेंगे, फिर LLM घुसाएंगे उसमें, है ना, तब जाके AI एजेंट बनेगा। तो अभी फ्यूचर प्रूफ होना पड़ेगा। आप SaaS बनाओगे, अगर मैं खुद का SaaS बनाऊंगा तो ऐसा SaaS बनाऊंगा ना जो लोगों का टाइम इजी, मतलब लोगों को हेल्प करे, उन लोग का टाइम बचाए। तो AI से अच्छा क्या होता है टाइम बचाने के लिए? तो अपने ऐप्स में मैं AI इसीलिए इंटीग्रेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ताकि AI एजेंट्स क्या है कि पूरा काम ऑटोनोमस हो जाता है। अगर आप पूरा एंड टू एंड ऑटोनोमस कोई चीज़ कर दोगे तो क्यों नहीं आपको कोई पे करेगा, है ना। निखिल, बीटेक के लिए सर स्किल्स सीखने का कोई रोड मैप बता दीजिए, क्या क्या सीख सकते हैं 6 मंथ्स में एक जॉब मिल जाए। मैं फुल स्टैक डेवलपर का कोर्स है लिया है गीक। सी मैंने कहा निखिल, लाइक पहले आप HTML सीखो, जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो, CSS सीखो, फिर React.js सीखो, और फिर 2-3 अच्छे फुल स्टैक फ्रंट एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ। फिर आप REST API सीखो बैकएंड के लिए, एक्सप्रेस सीखो, नोड सीखो, MongoDB सीखो, और फिर फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ। आई एम द चैंपियन, वो हेलो हेलो, आई एम द चैंपियन, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम। अनुज गुप्ता, प्रिज्मा.ts क्या है? प्रिज्मा.ts इज बेसिकली आपको प्रिज्मा क्लाइंट प्रोवाइड करता है। अब उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ भी क्वेरी करेंगे, हमें सिर्फ अवेट prisma.table का नाम फिर क्वेरी लगाना है, दैट्स इट। ICU, यो हेलो ICU, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम नोमैड। भाई मैं मेरे 5th मंथ्स ऑलमोस्ट में इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट है NIT में। DSA अभी स्ट्राइवर शीट का 38% हुआ है ऑलमोस्ट, वन सी प्रॉब्लम्स एंड आई हैवंट स्टार्टेड CP येट। क्या इंटर्नशिप के लिए DSA एनफ किया जा सकता है? हाँ, DSA आपको मिनिमम तो आनी चाहिए अच्छा खासा, अगर आप कॉलेज में हो, और उसके साथ साथ वेब डेव प्रोजेक्ट्स भी बनाओ। अनुज गुप्ता, जब सब गिटहब पे अपलोड है तो फिर से क्यों बना रहे हो? एक्चुअली यहाँ पे AI एजेंट्स बना रहा हूँ, और काफ़ी चीज़ें ना रिपीटेटिव होती है, जैसे डेटाबेस सेटअप करना, ऑलमोस्ट ऑथेंटिकेशन सेटअप करना, ये सब काफ़ी रेपिटेटिव चीज़ होती है। तो उसका रेफरेंस मैं गिटहब से ले लेता हूँ, या खुद से कर लेता हूँ अगर मूड है तो। लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं AI एजेंट्स बना रहा हूँ, तो आपको पहले तो ऑथेंटिकेशन सेट करना पड़ेगा, डेटाबेस इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा, है ना, उसके बाद आप प्रोजेक्ट्स में आगे बढ़ोगे। प्रियांशु, हेलो प्रियांशु, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। रोहिब हुसैन, हेलो रोहिब, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? प्रियांशु, API से करोगे या फिर LLM बनाओगे? API, ओपन AI की API की यूज़ करूँगा, उसको मैं अपने कंट्रोलर लाइक अपने बैकएंड के फंक्शंस के एक्सेस दूंगा। दक्ष शर्मा, ब्रो योर एज? दक्ष, माई एज इज 25 years old. Easy01, could you explain what's front end, back end and full stack? Yeah, see, basically front end can be your browser, it can be your browser, or it can be your mobile app, or it can be your desktop app. Fine, this is your client or front end slash front end, and we have a back end which is also known as server. We have a server, right? So and we have a database. Basically you can consider this trimurti of full stack development. and this is your database. This is your database. Fine. And this can be your Express server, or this can be your fast API server. This can be your Spring Boot server. Spring Boot. Here it can be your MongoDB database, or it can be your Postgres database, right? So what happens? Clients, for example, you open Instagram.com, you log in. See, right? You log in here, you give your email, your password. Then there is this login button. Login. What happens after you give your email and password and click on the login button? This entire data goes to your server as an HTTP request. Goes to your server. Then server performs some actions. Maybe it will check if this email, user with this email exists in the database or not. Then database gives it back. Then the server will give, is it a correct password or not? If correct password, then we'll go to the home page, right? So this entire thing is divided into three parts. This is called the front end. This is called the backend. This entire thing, both things are called backend. This isolated is called server. Hold on. And this is your database. Fine. I hope this clears. Aryan, bro, same job issue will get or not? Bro, same job issue will get or now in 6th and doing internship, building API there. Oh, that's nice. See, if you have an internship and you're doing like level where you're building APIs and all, then that's a good thing. It will help you. It will help with the understanding of your backend. No मैट भाई मैं फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज में 2 हैकाथॉन्स जीत लिया, एक अपना खुद का कॉलेज, एक आईआईटी धनबाद का विदाउट एनी नॉलेज, जस्ट विथ कर्सर बोल्ट वगैरह. आई स्टॉप पार्टिसिपेटिंग आउट ऑफ गिल्ट. शुड आई कंटिन्यू? येस, ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड कंटिन्यू, बट in your free time try to understand the code that AI wrote, right? Then it will give you confidence. Anuj Gupta, अभी टू डू का स्कीमा डिजाइन दिखाओ ना, कितना टेबल्स है, किससे ज्वाइन है. ओके, this is my schema design. This is my user table. This is my notes table, right? Basically a user will get access to its notes, and notes will have content is completed, and then we'll store which user created this note, right? So this is a foreign key. This is a foreign key, fk, and this is the primary key, pk. Here this is the primary key, pk, right? So that is the thing. दक्ष शर्मा, ये कौन सी लैंग्वेज है? दक्ष शर्मा, ये टाइपस्क्रिप्ट है. मैं ये AI एजेंट टाइपस्क्रिप्ट में बना रहा हूँ. Anime entertainment, sir, I'm in 10. Could you guide me how I can start coding? Anime entertainment, that's good that you want to start coding at an early age. You can start with Python. I will suggest learn Python. Black Phantom, in the world of AI era, doing engineering is waste of money, I guess. See, to get jobs, you see, engineering is not only about getting jobs. Firstly, what is engineering? If I tell you what is engineering, engineering is not just building apps or building anything. It's, for example, engineering is a concept where we plan, execute to get a desired result. It can be even you can use engineering to build your own business. You know, if you observe very closely, see, engineering includes the part of building something. It can be building bridges, it can be building web applications, it can be building roads. Everywhere, engineers, the job of an engineer is to build something. Nomad, weeb. Tretalis Nirbhumi, hello. Do you think there could be any security issue with MCP protocol, as it is possible to build in-house MCP? Yes, it is possible to build in-house in MCPs. Sir, what is Rust? Anime entertainment. Rust is a programming language. Easy. So front end, back end, full stack have separate work jobs. Yes, front end, back end, server have separate jobs, and when one person builds this entire thing, he's called a full stack developer. रोहेब हुसैन, अरे देन बार पूछ चुका हूँ यार, अरे 3 बार व्हाट डिड यू आस्क रोहेब? रोहेब, कैन यू रिपीट व्हाट डिड यू आस्क? इतना ही? नोमैड भाई, एक अपना ओएस बनाते हैं, बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा, लिनक्स कर्नल यूज़ करेंगे. गुड आइडिया. ज्विस, हेलो ज्विस, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई सोशल मीडिया प्रोजेक्ट खत्म हो गया. हाँ ज्विस, सोशल मीडिया प्रोजेक्ट का डेवलपमेंट पार्ट खत्म हो गया. डॉकराइज भी कर दिया. आप सिर्फ एक डोमेन खरीदना है और वीपीएस में होस्ट करना है. बट आई कैन नॉट शो इट इन लाइव स्ट्रीम बिकॉज काफ़ी सेंसिटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन होता है डिप्लॉयमेंट में, लाइक एपीआई की, सर्वर के पासवर्ड एंड ऑल. तो वो लाइव स्ट्रीम में मैं नहीं दिखा सकता हूँ. तो उसके लिए मैं एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊंगा. वो इसका फॉर्मेट ऐसे ही रहेगा, रॉ वीडियो रहेगा, बट उसमें जहाँ जहाँ पे .env फाइल्स दिख रहे हैं या फिर कहीं पे सर्वर के पासवर्ड लीक हो रहा है, वो सब मैं एडिट कर दूंगा. रिस्पेक्ट, हेलो रिस्पेक्ट, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. सर ऐप रन्स क्यों नहीं? सर आप रन्स क्यों नहीं बना रहे हो? मुझे भी नहीं पता. प्रियांशु, एस्टिमेटेड टाइम टू कंप्लीट. Priyanshu, I think I will take time because see, my goal with this project is so that I can learn how to build AI agents. So I will not rush with this project. I will take around 1 week maybe. Spider here. Hello Spider, welcome back to my stream. मेरे वेबसाइट में ना लाइव अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है फ्रंट एंड. आई ट्राइड विथ सो मेनी पर नहीं हो रहा है. आई थिंक आपको वेब सॉकेट्स की ज़रूरत है. आप एक काम करो, आप वो यूज़ करो, सॉकेट IO यूज़ करो. +1 sub. Thank you M4ADS. Thanks for subscribing, man. And guys, just a reminder, if you're new to my stream and you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing. Nomad. भाई मुझे नहीं लगता इंटर्नशिप आने तक पॉसिबल है फुल स्टैक कुछ बनाना. कुछ YT प्रोजेक्ट कॉपी कर दूं? हाँ बट हाँ कॉपी कर सकते हो, बट आपको कोड समझ, जब आप कॉपी भी कर रहे हो ना, कोशिश करोगे आप कोड को समझो. एक बार आप एप्लीकेशन के फ्लो समझ जाए ना, तो आप कुछ भी बना लोगे. सुमन कुमार, हेलो सुमन कुमार, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. मैंने एक वेब ऐप बनाया और डिप्लॉय भी कर दिया. इसको प्रमोट कैसे करें? मैं तो बोलता हूँ सिंपल, ट्विटर पे जाओ या रेडिट पे जाओ, वहाँ पे आप ट्वीट करो कि आपने ये ऐप कैसे बनाया है. वो काफ़ी अच्छा तरीका है ऐप और वेब ऐप्स को प्रमोट करने का. आदित्य किशोर, डू यू मेक कंपोनेंट्स फ्रॉम स्क्रैच? लाइक फ्रंट एंड के आई यूज ShadCN एंड TailwindCSS. अनुज गुप्ता, स्ट्रीम बंद कितने करने जा रहे हो? लाइक जस्ट चैट्स के क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे दूँ फिर स्ट्रीम बंद करूँगा. स्पाइडर हियर, मेरे वेबसाइट में ना लाइव अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है. फ्रंट एंड आई ट्राइड विथ सो मेनी, नहीं हो रहा. लाइक फ्रंट एंड में हॉट रिलोडिंग की शायद इशू है. तितास गराई, रिकमेंड DSA इन C कोर्स. आई थिंक स्ट्राइवर, मे बी ही कोड्स इन C++. आई थिंक. नोमैड, भाई मैं देखता हूँ बट मोस्टली आउटडेटेड ट्यूटोरियल्स मिड वे में जो APIs वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं वो तो पेड होते हैं, तो मिलते ही नहीं. इसका क्या करूं? मैं इसलिए बोलता हूँ ना, ChatGPT यूज़ करो. उसको बोलो कि आपको क्या से, फॉर एग्जांपल आपको मॉन्स्टैक सीखना है, ठीक है? आप क्या करो, चाहो GPT में जाओ, उसको बोलो आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न मॉन्स्टैक, आई वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड गिव मी अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. वो आपको सब बता देगा, बस आप फॉलो करो और कोड को समझो. आपका काम इतना है, आप मॉन्स्टैक आराम से सीख जाओगे. राजेश साहनी, एनी प्लान टू इंटीग्रेट रैग LangChain? नॉट इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. Sigma Man, congratulations for 1K subs. Thank you Sigma Man and welcome to my stream, brother. Zumi recommends some good resources for Go. See, I have never worked with Go, so I have no idea about Go. But you can get resources on YouTube if you research properly. आदित्य किशोर, ShadCN यूज़ करते हो? मैंने स्क्रॉल UI बनाया है, ShadCN टाइप ही है, मे बी उससे ज़्यादा कूल लगेगा आपको, ट्राई करना. ओके आदित्य, ट्राई इट. नो मैड. Alright bro, next stream timing tomorrow at 10:30. Again I'll stream tomorrow at 10:30. Fine. Alright guys, I think I'll wrap up for now. And if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing. Bristin Bora. Hello, Bristin Bora. Welcome to my stream. What do you think about Web3? Are you interested in trying some projects out there? Yeah, maybe in future I'll learn Web3 because Web3 is very powerful if you learn how to use it, because Web3 is really good. It has lots of potential. So yeah. Sigma Man, do you work on a PC or laptop? I work on a laptop, Sigma Man. Karthik Pruthi, hey bro, how do I start my ML journey? First thing is understand Python, then learn NumPy, Pandas, do these things, then learn PyTorch. That is the basic thing. Then after that, go to YouTube, go to Campus X YouTube channel, and there's a playlist called Machine Learning playlist. Follow that. Alright, so alright everyone, I'll wrap up now. I hope you enjoyed this stream. And if you enjoyed, do consider subscribing to this stream. And I'll see you in the next stream. And until then, take care of yourself and keep learning. Bye.